Give me the weed, go dance your weed. Want to burn the dunk and you will murder the breed. Give me the weed, go sense the weed. Ganja me swarm me Allah, yes indeed. Ganja dealing of the nation. Ganja was found on the grave of King Solomon. Then test and pass, scientist plus doctor man. As so me no eat out with true tradition. Well I will walk through the valley, then they run through this one. Now stop them move along until me reach the weed land. Check now you being give the true Rasta man. I check muscle and the two conscious one. And does it get a jar? Muscle Canada, give me the weed.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast. And today, we have a really special guest in the building. Listen, you've heard this man's voice from in the early 90s until right now. He has some of the biggest songs when it comes to girls, bad man, weed, everything right across the board. And he used to really par with another artist named Tony Curtis. You know, we have in the building today, we have Jigsy King in the building today. What's going on, big boss?
General Muscle. Nice having me, Muscle.
Thank you. You understand?
Nice having you.
Man like you, especially where, you see whenever you sit down with Jigsy or you look at a Jigsy interview, it's always full of vibes. And you have the stories, you know what I mean? You have this, and you're not afraid to really express it in your style where everybody could get into it, you know what I mean?
No, because we can't tell no lie for my child on earth, you know, and me not got sugarcoat nothing at all, you know, me like the thing like how it go. Me not beat round the bush, me not tell no lie, me not make up no story, and I just a truth that I hear from Jigsy King all the time.
Yeah.
Me not lie at nothing at all.
Jigsy King, that's just Jigsy King.
I just made that.
You know what I mean? I know you're originally born in Kingston, I think Kingston 5, Jubilee Hospital.
Yeah, I was born in Kingston, Jubilee Hospital, you know. Down Bower Bank, out of East. That's where I come from.
And then you grew up in Kingston for a while before you moved to Linstead?
All right, you are going now. My father, a town man. My mother, a country woman from Linstead. My mother now is a lady, you know, where Mama Dar a lot of politics. I don't know. My mother is a PNP. So entering the PNP conference, I keep a town. My mother does put on a little battery ride and put on a, nobody laugh, man. Put on a little battery ride and put in little, my mother not run. My mother put on a little battery ride and put on a little ice pick and a little knife in a little bag and go on a town. And I saw my mother meet my father now. My mother a country woman now, go a town, book up and town done. My father trick my mother when I saw me the board. my father's, that's our country girl is chick around us. Yeah. Some of them about.
Some town craft.
I tell you, my father have more than craft. My father have everything in a generalship.
So you're there. So then, how long did you grow up in town for before you went to Linstead?
All right, what happened is my mother did think that my father was just a nice man just because him just like that. No. You know, my father just have my mother and just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 youth. Stay in the house, don't move. I saw my father did my mother stay, so don't move. My mother's a country woman, so she end up now talk to everybody in the community. But guess what now? When she get to realize now, my father breed another woman over there, so my father breed another woman over there, so my father breed another. My mother no can't take it no more. No, a country she come from. So my mother wait till my father go on the road and just say, pack up your clothes. Take up your shoes. Take up your shirt. I said, Mom, we're going. Hey, stop. Hey, come, let's go.
Yeah.
I said, Mom, we're going. She said, you're going to Linstead. Mom, what? Shut them out. Go in a vehicle. And so my mother carry a country. So me down Linstead. Yeah, so when my father come home and find us, said all I will leave. My father jump back in our vehicle and find back Linstead and reach back to Linstead. My father reach back to Linstead and place them New York. So my father beat everybody up there. When I put it in there, lucky thing my mother never did it. Pull back in our vehicle, carry back at town. I saw you tag and walk back and front, Linstead town, Linstead town. So, my mother come from Linstead and I saw me really end up running Linstead because start get big now, and my father just say, never start choose now, but when we start go, so school, I start I go school at Linstead all age, and then left Linstead all age and go dental technical high school. Then me say it's more better now. Then me get transfer and go Kingston College. Me go KC. Me go KC. Then me go end up go KC. You know what happened is the back and forth the bus. So me end up now start staying with my father first. But sick of the music were inside of me because my father did own a sound, you know.
King Jamin.
No, King Jamin.
Jamin, yeah.
Yeah, King Jamin. My father named the sound system after my little brother. My little brother named King Jamin. And then Jamin, and then we have a brother named Ken and Mal, and then by my mother's side, you have Howard and O'Shane. You understand? So the sound name of a King Jamin. So what happened is, I want DJ, but through them time I play football, because I play D-Cup for dental, you know.
Because I know football is your original first love. That's what you really...
No, when you talk about football, I'm a passion that.
Yeah.
You know, I love football so much, you know. And big up all the ball, and big up Frank Brown, who passed, who was a teacher, and George T. Coach George T from Kingston College, and Donna Dental, Frank Brown, and they have enough general we guide me along the way, like Eccles and Bogle, and the history of the football long. You understand? But many things of football that change my life. You understand? Because my father never want me DJ, you know. My father never want me DJ. My father just say, he left Dental and go KC. The boy have to deal with it. So my father used to walk past out the arrows and say everybody the arrows and just say, you see them out there, so stand up and not do that at all. If I ever see out there, I see. But you know, my father not even know what belong inside them, because my father used to turn on the sound. My father used to turn on the sound system in the ghetto down a bar bank, you know. And when you turn on the sound system, we tell him gone, you know. You understand? But them time, my DJ was Papa Son, you know. Papa Son and Shabba
Ranks. Yeah, man.
Papa Son and Shabba Rankin and Johnny P. Johnny P. And Lisa, them and Flower and them, the front, you understand? But they DJ, but the girl, them, then tell them, I'm the man. Some way to my father gone, you know. Then gone, you know, tone girl, them stay, then throw powder up on their chest, and they come down, because short, we can see, you know, you start see something. When you start see something, I say, wait. This is what I'm doing. You know. So my father got me, that's what I'm going to start DJing. That's the girl hold up here and this and that, and girl start screaming, whoa, I said, wait, so this is nice. So I end up start talk some things I'm going to talk as a juvenile. Now my father is a man run the ground, you know. King is a man run the ground. So my father, you want to my father now. My father, you when me go out before me even reach the place now. So my father reach, my father does that. Me say, don't have DJ. Oh, you don't have DJ, say. I can't. My father me a DJ. I say, yes, daddy, I don't have DJ. I can't say King, because you have the size. Yes, daddy. So where don't have DJ, say? The DJ about two girls. Where's about the girl? None daddy, I said, they're nice. They say, they're nice. Listen to me good now. You got to choose between the house, the sound, our country. But just choose country, man, because...
Decided to go back.
I saw me in the back of country, because this man, my father's a man that play, you know. My father, so when I come from, I left KC, you know, or when man come training down, I left KC and I stop out the arrows, you know, I'm going down my khaki clothes, and I left KC.
Arrows?
Yeah, man. The arrows on the right, there's some ball bang out there, so. So when I left arrows, when I left KC and I go, and I pass out there, you know, I'm going down my khaki clothes and I'm going there, you know. That I have litter. It's a big up litter them, because litter and shelter rat them, and them make me DJ, you know. Because my father just hears me over there, you know. My father just come for me over there, talk us, bad what they don't say, yo, what you doing that?
Arrows?
You know, yeah, man, but litter, big up litter. Litter say, yo, and danger wang them, you know. Culture tea them, I say, yo, leave the youth, man. You play son and your son come in and your son. Leave the youth. Leave the youth, I mean, the youth. Can't say nothing to my father. As a man, straight backs down we get, you know. So that King around with King, you know. So I just say, daddy, you know, say, don't do no talking. Come now. Because my father walk with 50 man and 60 man back at him, you know.
So it's almost like an area leader type of thing?
No, my father the area leader. But in the good way, because I never say my father do nothing wrong. But in the good way, because I got a bar bank right now. They ask them, they tell about Mr. King. You understand? You don't know my father is one of the strong PNP man around this. You know? So what happened is my father never want me DJ. So when I end up down a Linstead and jump in the vehicle and I go country, I say, shh. At last, we can't get to do. We can't get to do me after they are no muscle.
But okay, before we even get back to Linstead, at this time when you were in KC, this time you were pursuing more football at this time when you're at KC.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, same thing like me. They didn't tell me that DJ come me that. But I didn't tell him tell you have you have somebody from Creation son. You have a youth from Creation, a man from Creation in my family to Debbie. I think it was Debbie brother, and 'cause Debbie married to Papa's son. Yeah, so I think I have a tipper in his name. So them time they used to carry the Creation something the cassette them come. So we used to listen to Creation them. We used to listen to Love Papa's son and Love Professor Nuts. So me Papa's son a DJ and I always say want to be like Papa's son, because Papa's son is a man in full of lyrics.
Lyrics
long. You understand, you know, and him Papa's son, big up Papa's son, Tyrone, big up yourself. You understand? So I saw it start coming inside I and I, the music about the football, still I'm a first love. The football I'm a first love, you know, so we couldn't just walk off the football, so but the music always a trail me. Every time when we go play football, I just start DJ and clap me another DJ.
So it was just simultaneously both of them that you like. 'Cause even with your classmates now, what kind of student would they say you were when you were going to KC?
My classmates at KC, them just don't say, oh, I get a joke, you know. Yeah. At school, some call me Stitchy, and some catch me to DJ Fast, and some call me Papa San, and some call me Papa San band, you know, but the football now, you know, them time the KC we have like morning shift and evening shift. All right. At KC them time when I go KC them time the white epaulet of a morning and the purple epaulet of evening time. Evening time, so what already take place. So through the morning time now, we come early, and from once you do track and field, anything at all in a sport, you have to come on the morning. Because the evening time you have to go take part night. So so it really go. So my friend in my school then just know say because I make some noise and bench on that kind of thing.
So you were DJing in school, but you were still pursuing ball heavy them time.
No, I guess I know. Me never think about the music or camera go nowhere. No disrespect, because we not lie. I think say a football because everywhere me go and play the football, me not joke. Yeah. So we start make a name out of football and start. All right. In other words, all right. Cause my mother's side poor body. You know?
Okay.
Yeah, my mother's side poor body, you know, like 7 we are in a one room asleep. 7 we in a one room asleep. So big up every get to you. Don't make nobody tell you say you can't make it. You understand? Have ambition, have progress, hold up your head, don't follow nobody, go broke down and no turn no thief. And I make no man tell about go broke nobody else. Tell him man who tell her that go do it himself. Listen me now. So Mr. Man, Mr. Go up on the road, you know. Come in the free for talk them thing. Mr. Man just go up on the road and big sugar, and big rice, and big food for care back at my house, you know. You understand? So me know say there's a true and living God, you know. You understand? So but true me I play football, big up the general name, but them they in England, them man so look out for me. At Linstead, you know. At Linstead, I have a place named Alcan. Alcan, that's where all of them man them work, you know, and but true me can play football and them rate me. Big up squash them. Yes, and me just see the Alcan man them and just beg them money. And then just give me it. Yes, and so it's easy for me for anybody ask me for money, me give them because them say me the kindest artist, you know. Easy for me if I give them, because I guess me know how it feel
you
when
know where you're coming from.
No, me know different from that. Me know how it feel without no money. I mean, how it feel when a parents don't have no money, your daughter, your brother don't have no money. I mean, know how hungriness feel. So when you brother, hey, boss and show off, you know, illusion, you know. So why you can't show off? Why you can't show off? And why you can't bossy when you don't have no money? Why when money come and start show off? Burn you. So we don't know what nothing named bossy. We don't know. I mean, don't know about show off. Somebody go a town, sideways in the milk slippers. I mean, I have 1,000 shoes on me yard. They don't mean nothing to me.
Keep it
don't
simple.
it don't mean nothing to me because which part me I come from, me never did have nothing. Me never didn't see nothing. Me never see a tricycle in my yard. Yes, me never have no carpet which part me I come from. We have a put on two sheet of ground and make sure we sleep. Now we did all right. We did comfortable.
Yeah.
With comfortable. That's why me that tell myself say a football I gonna really help me. But when me have the plan there and God have different plan for me.
But remember, you had the passion for the football, but you also had the passion for the music. So you're thinking football, but the music's in the same time, So one of the two of these have to work.
But watch us now. No, watch us now. They mostly think it easy. Watch us now. All right. The girl named Rona Allen. Big up Rona Allen. She's from place named Guysville. Big up Guysville. Because the whole of St. Catching radio everywhere. Guys, they don't know we love in a guys. So me so she go dental with me. See, and I'm love her them telling them I love her so much. And what happened is she up on place named Benbow, big up massive from Benbow. So me used to go up there. I hide at night time and she's let me in. Sorry, Ron, never talk about this, but I just really have to keep it real. Yeah. So she hide and let me in. So but two more get involved in a Rona family. Me end up front of the father and go guys go plan can, Them me not because me say me in love. I'm want go me no hide and go back in that house. Me follow daddy go down a bush, dig up the place and plant car. The one of the plants and come walking daughter. We go plant car and come on Rona.
You don't want to sneak through the window, you want to go through the front door.
No, and like couple guys is cool, Yes, then so me have to wait till then gone in and then she pull the back door and let me in. Love Rona, still love Rona. Yes, so I go up the Sunday when Rona leave. When Rona leave, didn't Rona go Ochi. She go steer town and I saw. But me end up go Ochi if go play football for Black Star. And so the general in live in Canada in Eccles.
Okay.
Eccles then take me in down at Ochi. Come down to go play football. I go play football for say yes, me go make the team that I saw. Cause Rona live here, and me go play football also and make some money. As I say, me have planned for football and God have planned for me and the music. So what really take place most me I go to a place now, James Avenue now, and me go book up on Jack Ruby's son. Brad, big up Brad.
Okay.
Big up Brad, yeah, man. Brad and general. Big up Brad and Peter. And I saw me and Brad start link up down there. So me see them have Roof Nice Club. Yeah, Courtney Cole control that. So me go up there and I watch her going. I say everybody enter in the club on Tuesday night. So I tell myself, say, but me a man I'm a DJ. I say, but wait. I'm a man I win money and me just go join the one night,
Yeah.
Go join the one night and DJ some song, and come around third, but then give me money said way. When they give me money, I say, money in this. Yeah. I say, so the man me go straight to Linstead and go for Curtis.
Okay, so you're linking with Tony Curtis from Linstead.
No man, me Curtis do a link here from the left town and come forward to Linstead. Me link with Tony Curtis. Remember link with another singer now named Singing Teeth.
Remember Singing Teeth? Yeah, man.
No, Singing Teeth. And I link with the man who helped me DJ was Bieber Captain. You understand? So I link up with Bieber Captain and Flinky Joe and link up with Force them and you understand? Because we used to watch them as our elder, a DJ. And a DJ the upper name Double Ogle.
Yeah.
It's him now. We used to watch him now. Him with our teacher too. Okay. Yeah, man, the man and the bad artist man instead. So we used to make Curtis to watch him. Because Tony Curtis' father used to sing in Bobby's Soul,
He was a singer too.
Yeah, Curtis' father, Bobby's Soul. So what happened now? When we come back to Linstead, me say, because Curtis was a chef, Curtis, all right. I hear the history you need to know.
All right.
Mr. do look at singing, Mr. do look at singing and Curtis is do look at DJ business.
Rankin Scary.
Tony Curtis there, Rankin Scary. I miss the name singing Jigsy. Come them turning up Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson, There be no darkness tonight. Lady, your love will shine. Tonight it, I say, I'm not going to Michael Jackson. Because Michael, because them tell Michael comes to roll up my sleeve, you know. I mean, yeah, if I beat it, I start ticking them.
Start knock it.
Because it was all about Michael. It's all about Michael Jackson was an artist. So, more I get big now. There's a story goes to me. Because Curtis is cooking in a restaurant, you know. Hudson, and I'm going to come see Mr. Curtis. Money they are watching, you know. I say, what you mean by that? I say, can I have a big white on the head in the apron, big white something, and it's tearing it, they can tear in the back. Yeah. I say, what, yo? I say, no disrespect to no chef, you know. I say, Curtis, we are hunting man in Carla. Chefy for your say alive. Hey, but, hey, take us that time. Hey, when Curtis take off the white thing off her head, you know. Hey, man, Jigsy. If me come and watch it, I mean, I make no money. Because them time, all we live for them time there at Christmas, you know.
Okay.
Because we just say Grand Market night and Christmas and well, we don't see nothing more out there. You understand me? I say, I live for Christmas and I live for a thing now named, the shoes named Ballet made in Switzerland.
Yes, and Travel Fox and
Silk. So, hey, Curtis, give me a cussing. I say, take care of it. And I say, a man say, yo, the man who in the restaurant I come, yo, I say, Curtis, yo, tea for some of can saltfish. Yo, tea for the fast before, man. Put in a bag and screw, put it jump over the counter, run through the back and go to Rosemount and go to the highway. Hey, man, give me a cussing, I say. And here come the $250,000. Because $250,000 in time, you know, I just say, yo, jump in that $250,000. I'm going to make it a seat. I'm saying that $250,000 in time, you know. Mount Rasta and go Hill, you know. Curtis start ball board. If I saw the place fire, it was the driver. I have to give me a seat, you know.
Yeah.
Kind of look at Curtis as a traveler, don't go nowhere at all. So I end up giving me a seat muscle. Someone say, sit down, man. Muscle. You say, when I reach at Ochi, you know. I run up on the Tuesday night, you know. But you know Curtis can sing, so then time Curtis swallow Sanchez, you know. Everything occurs. If Sanchez sit down, so I saw Curtis sit down. If Sanchez racket, I saw Curtis racket. Then the Curtis was. But then time the Curtis, you know, the young Tony Curtis with a sweet voice, and then you remember Sanchez say, la la la.
Those long notes.
So long note. So that what Curtis have it laugh. So reach Oche and Courtney Cole up there. Can then rush Courtney Cole, because Courtney Cole general, you know, is that man change out over money there, and you know, I say Curtis, I must listen to that man, because listen to the man full of craft. So we're watching about John. Me tell Curtis to use the bathroom, you know. I told Curtis, you owe me a life, you know. Me tell Curtis to use the bathroom and walk with Curtis and go on the side and call him and say, yo, in the singing contest, put on Tony Curtis. He say, what you say? Me say, put on Tony Curtis. And in the song, I write in Tony Curtis. This when Courtney Cole said, okay, in the singer, wait, we have a movie star in the house. Go by the name of Tony Curtis. See me? I look for me, I say, I'm going to put the name. Go on. Hey, Muscle, would the man move? He come like a 40 black and 40 stone and put on foot. Muscle, I must push him, come tight up poverty, you know. Me push him, Muscle. Every time I push him, man, the thunder the slide. Me push him until I can't go right up in front. I say, see me. And then go upstairs. And then kind of shy, Curtis shy always. And I look back upon him. And then give me a mic. You know. When they go give Curtis a mic, and Curtis, for the rhythm put on, and Curtis say, I write the song that let the whole world sing. I write the song that hey, the whole club does a boof. Courtney Cole say, what? Give him again. And Curtis do back in it again. And Courtney Cole say, if you sing like this one more time, you're a new member of the roof. And when I tell Curtis said, as I step down the train, there to meet me was my mama and papa. Down the road I look, and there was don't sing no more. If it's a new member of the roof, don't sing no more.
Yo.
And Courtney Cole take him over from there, so and put him near side of the decks. And so Curtis gets signed to the roof before me, you know.
Even though you're the one that brought him there and said, yo, this is what's going on.
Yeah.
He was the one that got signed first.
Him signing, and the night them never like get to sing, so he end up giving Curtis one room to stay, and so me end up staying in that room. So
that's what I was going to ask. I said, if you brought the man from Linstead, you took him out of the restaurant. Where were you guys staying? I remember you said you're linked
no,
with the girl.
one of them times. No, we just a search. Maybe a search. No, just a try if we can make with name, you know, and we are try if we do the thing the right way, you know. And it's like the morning, then time they big up Shaggy Wanda, because Shaggy Wanda now is the one who live in Steertown, and Shaggy is the one who from Linstead, and Shaggy is the one who come out of the one room and give it to me and Tony Curtis.
Okay.
Yeah, so we forever love Shaggy. So I'm big up President Brown. President Brown is the one who teach me how to DJ on a one-drop rhythm.
Okay.
I never loved to DJ on one-drop rhythm. I love to DJ fast and President.
Remember, you're a youth them time. There's anything fast and
that's
me
what
never
like
into.
DJ on one drop, you know. So Frank Brown and President Brown and Genius, they're the one who sit me down and said to me, say, yo, what you do? You have to learn for DJ upon them. You want to stay along in the business, you have to DJ upon this. You know, Professor Frisky, I don't want to know where always if me keep up in the foolishness, it make me straight up. You know, R.I.P. R.I.P. to Mickey Simpson, forever Mickey Simpson, love it always. No, the man who used to take my voice now and can't go a foreign now, a nigga Mike, you call him Michaelos.
Yeah, man.
Michaelos, big up Michaelos, you know. Michaelos is to take my voice now and can't go in Washington D.C. Cause he Banton them someone over there, you know. And I saw into care back and money come give me back, you know. So Michaelos used to put money in my pocket. So me forever owe him the respect there. Mikey lost me forever. Enough love Mikey lost. You know, I'm like a shot down, you know, and he had clean. I'm general. So
when you got to Roof was a formed label already. It wasn't just a club. They actually had the label with everybody else on it.
No, that's what I try to tell you. So we just go there, and when we got the Robocop and the general in my roof, because the general in my roof was Shaggy, President Brown, and Professor Frisky them and Mickey Simpson them, you understand? So, you know. So me was just like a student to the teacher then, because until now my respect for President Brown and Professor Frisky and Shaggy and Michael Luster, it always remain the same. Not because we become this Jigsy King who sings Wolper song. No. Me respect the people them who set the thing before me, and respect the people them who do it for me. You understand? Me not come like some called DJ where a man carry through the door and you want to go disrespect the man. No, me not do them thing there. Me respect the people who set the thing for me.
Makes sense 100%. So then you're there, Curtis got signed. So you got signed after, or was a long time after you got signed?
No. When you talk about sign, the Courtney Cole, sign nobody them way then. Courtney Cole just know Curtis was match up the place and Courtney Cole just know. So yeah, him and bad singer, and then choose Sanchez the board. You're a brother who sound like Sanchez. You understand? So what happened now? Then me and Curtis go up to Courtney Cole just open the studio. Because which thing was James Avenue, but the studio open up the road. So when we go up the road, and come is a man where it's a youth where knows the body, you know. Can me believe in that, me can go through the door, me jump through the window, you know. Yeah, so
some way, somehow.
In the right way. So what is when I go up there, I see a man sit down and I write out a bag of name. You know, say I write Papa San, I write on the wall, you know. I write Papa San, Papa D, President Brown, Professor Frisky, one long list of name, you know. But just go to him, you know, and just say to him, say, General, you know, what God son? But I say, put on them two names, and then look on him, put on Jigsy King and Tony Curtis, you know. But me not say one name on the paper. Me just start DJ, you know. Yeah. And say no sound bad, and me just start spelling me name, and say Jigsy King, King. Me nothing carry, but make sure about I put all the way. I say Tony. I'm about to tell you. Here come Courtney Cole. And stop and go in the office and come back out and start reading the name. I say, who is Jigsy King? Oh, I'm name reach on the wall. Oh no. Him and a blow like him. And Curtis does mash up a thing for him and Curtis the right and Curtis can't talk, you know. And some love Shaggy, you know, Shaggy say, and President Brown say, Lord the youth them man. Who you think that? I'm pine for me, more long made. He said, you can just go right on your name, so. And I just say, let me just calm. I know my wrong still, but I just want, that's what I say. Not three door, three window. So you know say, yeah. So you know say, me live to say, ask anybody that story. Me live to say, one day we don't get nothing now go on lightning clap. Douche! And the wall crack. Ask anybody in the business. And the wall crack right between me and Curtis' name. You know what that means? That means we are a boss. The wall crack right between me and Tony Curtis' name.
Yeah.
Can then tell they don't watch it. No big no number one now come from down there. No. Nobody now. No number one song now coming at town. Watch this now. One day they them a dance a keep a stage show a keeper. Some of them out of Chilani way. And I remember Ochino, them time then a walking visa, you know. A black American,
yeah,
a black English girl, a black Canadian girl just come down and see and like you off, you know. And take away and care come a friend, you know. So hear this now. So the stage show keep a Chilani, you know. And remember say me man a van back, me will not come make a van front, you know, cause to me have not song and and the shoes not so good. The shoes no understand. No shoes not about. So we have like two shoes, so me make sure wipe off the one they good and you know the one with me, you know, me IG make sure I look nice, you know, cause watch here this you have to make sure you smell good, you know. Not the bad perfume, but you have to go couscous. And Chris I try, I no bother with that. You no bother that, leave it alone. Well, take out the no, you can't go three, you know. Then no, you remember the couscous them up don't sell no tobacco so. You give me one of that, cause I can't buy bad one them, but them have taken them in spray. 2 times I put it down. Yeah. So say no say me never van back and everybody in a big vehicle on carry stage show. And then Shaggy and Shaggy one that have the song man gig rise like you know. Morning, Mr. I that's not no me, not touch it cool and President Brown them and whoop a superstar up on the show. But see, can me go see whoop a girl them? I'm mad from this woman, you know. Say no me do. But walk to the MC and until the MC say, you know, cause then the free show MC there like start the step, like 7 step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 step. So I walk up to the MC, you know, say, my young artist now, I'm like up me show. The MC say, so what your name? And I say Jigsy King, you know. What you say your name? I say Jigsy King. He say, it's where I come and say, Ochi, I come from. He say, all right, no problem. I write down my name. I'm a first lesson I learn about stage show. See? It's when the promoter take long to pay the big artists then and use the young artists go there, they will lick it on off a stage.
Of course.
And that reach me. The first experiences as an artist, but it don't make me stronger. So you don't know, so you're the MC now when the people start making noise. Hold on, people. Before the show start, you know, we always have a young act. You're the man who's gonna kill me.
Yeah.
Go by the name of What your name again? Iman go. What your name again? I see me, Jigsy. You know, all right, Jigsy, come up. You know, me did no. I mean, don't know that part because there's so much girl on shots. I mean, just walk up there and say, good night. And play silent if I drop a pin in your ear, you know. And because I make a song, I said, so woman said they fed up a one style in the bed. Boo! 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 Hey, listen me good. Listen me. All right, the amount of boo when me get in there, man. They say, all right, a 7 step me take from come up a step, you know. I want me, some reach I say, going to step. I like a 71 step, you see, you know. What? See, you don't want to get? some look, me say Courtney Cole and everybody. Nobody know what look for me, no. But they think their face. They don't want to be a part of somebody who gets a big boy. All the girl them turning them back on me, but turning back for me. And I say, God, I want this now. When me embarrassed, me the bother come and step, come outside and just swing, and just go on the back, and steer on the back, Right as the tears reach right on me, if come to me, and I say, God. Why you think me so believe in a Rastafari faith? I love Rasta. It's a Rasta man come around there and see me well on made and like me go cry. Rasta say, oh, I'm terrible. Nobody with that, Rise up. Don't bother the balling thing. Just rise up and be strong. I look on the Rasta man good, so I me just listen to him say, I tell me time. I no grown back I show you not till the show done. Hey, 2 weeks straight, they beat me, I watch it for They laugh, and the girl then laugh, and everybody laugh, wreck. Anyway, me just cool, and me just want to hold it and they laugh off of me. For 2 weeks, everybody just laugh off of me and I watch it, me just cool. Because me just know, so me know me done it football now, Because I laugh, yeah, me done it football, no, me not do no more football, me done it football. Because me just say, this a laugh off of what me get, I have to prove them wrong.
So then that's where the determination bubble up.
Then I have to prove them wrong. No, me have to, and now me tell myself, all right, me laugh off of me, everything good. So I'm sure me and God work it out now, me start to go by myself and start make some song. Anyway, Genius are the one now, Genius are the engineer, I the one who know say, you are going Jigsy King. Stay by me and me say, all right, cool. Big up George from Integra, the man there, George from Integra, the man there always, from the man that see me as a little youth, the man that say, you have talent, and the man that believe in me too. And what happened is Courtney Cole have 45 session when we keep a anchor.
So
no anchor, mixing lab.
So you're in town now, so you can't.
No, my town me come from. So me go drive with the van. I drive because I couldn't call have a black pickup van, So them time that the 24 truck you have to carry with you, So what you know now? So remember say me have the name and I may get the boo. So I may have to carry the 24 truck. Them couldn't call I move like 12 24 truck, So they're heavy. So me end up having to carry 2, 3, 4 of them. 3, 4 of them I go in the van. So me swing on the van now, and drive in the van now. So look at rain start. The van they stay you have to catch like you van the back. So rain start fall like you catch it right so that means catch it right so now and couldn't go slow no vehicle and take up the 24 truck, the 24 truck wait up rather me wait up and dead, rather me they want me. They mean nobody, no matter about me run a back. Give me 24 chat to me boy. I just you go and stare on the race, then go boy, then kill it with boy, then chill and you all rain. You try with some rain.
Wash off.
So you them van them, if you put it catch it back so what rain goes tung, but if you slow down you wet up. Tung. Me don't watch that. Me just guys studio and then them just play rhythm for Courtney Cole name. The Bam Bam with Bam Bam have 2 changes tonight, And Cutter Ranking, big up Cutter Ranking. Cutter Ranking go sing a song say, wait them man. You think to me done? Wait them man. We confess down up, DJ go and go sit down. And Courtney Cole for some breed that shot it. Tell Buju Banton come off of the ride. Me have 2 sticker down the ride. Tell Grands man and the whole shoulder mash up. Boom, 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 boom. And Curtis sing a song. I write the song and Curtis mash up his shoulder to Curtis sing by the rhythm too, And I tell myself, him you don't sing on the rhythm. I say, I like your rhythm, It's all right. He must say, I tell him I don't like your rhythm, comes on my face if I'm a little bit.
Yeah.
But say, I don't like your rhythm. So I say, all right, you don't like your rhythm.
Bam, bro?
No, yeah, but me never, but what me that do? Me that do research from Kingston to Ochik, and most of the men who they are Ochik now come at town, but me sleeping, but then tell them Steely and big up Steely and big up Clevie, even though R.I.P. for Steely. Clevie, enough respect Clevie, and big up Fata. And what happened is, me go there and get the giggy. Me go there and get the giggy, and then anyway Steely go and play the giggy. Come me saw you I just say Coca-Cola back and I eat around the place. And me hear, Mama, come take me regular, me singing sweet. Yeah, me hear all that song upon it. So me I hear the giggy. And I like no where something going on, man, you get the fact because no the youth them living, we live in a time now where
anything drop one place, they drop everywhere same time.
So I don't like them time. So you have to dip on the spot for your while and see what they are, so what go on. So what really take place now, me I hear the giggy. So it's when Courtney Cole leave me in the studio and send me for watch it tape them, film till he come back and then go and do in business. God gone about in business. So the engineer now named Carl, every time I see me remind him, him still work down there.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Still in a mixing lab. And I say, then time Firehouse crew come with wrong move and judge them. And then come now, them come for do play a rhythm for Max Romy. R.I.P. Max Romy, forever love you Max Romy. Big up Max Romy family. Always still a cry Max Romy, love you. And what happened Max Romy never get a turn up. So wrong move start, cut and step start. Can't come and waste your time, man. And so in charge, I say, must hold up my hand. So come tell them stay from a little bit. But hold up my hand say me.
Yeah.
And I tell them I ready more than if play. So me tell you play a rhythm without Courtney Cole know that, Anyway, anybody who listen to this thing with me, I must lead, everything I say, just call Courtney Cole, ask him. You understand? So Courtney Cole never did it. So me tell Firehouse crew say, play the giggy. Firehouse crew play pum 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 pum. And we just when the Firehouse done playing thing, them sign it because Courtney Cole always leave one checkbook. So them sign it, and then gone. So them turn out hey, they hungry kill me, And then Carl what tell me say if I left go buy on 2 pieces of chicken for him. When you listen me good. Every day me beat him with this, Me left out of lab, and go buy half each just go get KFC for him, 2 pieces of chicken original, I never forgot, And then look Pepsi juice, Hey, I'm gonna come back, I'm watching man I eat the fries in front of me, and each alright. Every fries the man put in my mouth, they come like it pass off from the throat too, Like I guess we hungry kill me if time, but the man put a fries in my mouth, so like cool. You know say no what to. You know say how I say more go DJ on the rhythm too, Black and mad guy, He say one girl them say more one girl there. But him never know how me so advanced, Cause them time them me so thief and watch Barris, Barris man big up. Yeah, me done Barris man. So thief watch Barris, watch Barris man. Barris man carry harmony before the lead check, So me always amazed about them thing in there. You understand? Him carry man carry the lead before him carry him carry the harmony before the lead. I said that man a great, where that man come from so great, man. So when I go in there now, I say, all right, ready. I say, catch this. Them time I use 2 voice, The first number 1 song, a 2 voice I use, can win the high people glory. Big up Penny Irie.
Yeah.
And big up Ninja Man. So I use Penny Irie voice, enter my song, and then use the me say, girl picking him me to ear to you shine like a sun. You the one place. Ninja Man thing that.
With the stutter.
But you Penny Irie DJ I me say, girl penny me to ear to you shine like a sun. You the one place. You does. And come me tell them give me a next track, What you mean? Me say give me a next track, me go carry the next part. Him never understand, him never know me so advanced.
Because you seen Barris do all of this already.
Me see Barris them do it. So me say, you does muscle. It's me say, you does. And give me next track. Me just say, real up. Girl, you never run, girl, cause I got see so. Girl, when you walk on road. Real up, woman, no expensive and that. You never run, girl, cause you never run, girl, fucking me to eat you. So you look sweeter than them. Them eat you. So you look nicer than them. Them eat you. But them can't knock your body. Them eat you. So you ever that work. You just, girl, you know. Hey, listen me no man. 2 way me hungry and not now go off for me miserably,
Real up.
Hey, miss. When me done and go to do a man, say to me, say, yo, engineer Carl said to me, say, yo, that's really not bad, we me hungry and frosting the man, and me just run off upon aid that give me, because aid that they bought them 10 then.
Yeah.
And I just have aid that out in my pocket, and I just said so. And drop asleep to the, because in the shoe, them sleep right to the 24 check, Early man, and then come push the door. One Friday, and me told nearly give me a heart attack, but, man, get up now, man, ready now, man, wait. I said, God, I would not get over this thing, and this big boss over me. I push me. That's me never like boss from man, and this big black man over me. But if I ask me if me eat for night or eat for morning, let me just work with it. Said because I learn long time the stone that they build the refuse, I can be the 8 corner stone. I learned that. So the man, me take out the 24 track them now. 24 track them now and put them on the back. Until at last time I get a chance to go in that front seat. For go at Ochi. Me rotted from we drive out of town. Yeah. And say, can the highway, the pretty highway over the time there. And we say we start drive out like we got head for come at Ochi. Yeah, come on, one big body woman. I found out her hand like this and say, she going Ochi. And so I come back out the van again and I'm back and sit down. Then the man take me the van again. And
You thought you were going back in the front.
no, man, put back again with the 24 chat them, man. I mean, I feel no way at all, because I know say, I just say, go all the way, if you make it done, you have to fight, When I'm growing there now, it's when we reach about Ochi, the man jump out the van and to the 24 chat and he go in that studio and you know, must, oh, boy, roof bust you know because yeah. Wait the man. And who would that a come? Wait the man, you did think me did done me come for turn up DJ go on, man play Corduroy Riddim on 100 times I play some more song and beat on your place and so you got nothing to do. But they got the aid that out of my pocket, I aid that in my pocket and said, Genius, listen to this. And Genius said, my voice last night. And Genius here, real up. Girl, you know about road, girl, close that girl can say so. Girl, when you want. And Genius said, I'll go sing a song, good, Genius said, no, mama call. Courtney Cole, come here. Courtney come in, Courtney Cole, yeah. Girl, penny me to you, Charlie. You just real up. Girl, you Courtney Cole, how can I sing that? Over sing that. Yeah, Genius, no? Yeah, Genius, a fierce song, it become my song. Me say to him, say, Courtney Cole, me attack low now, Yeah. So me tell you, play the rhythm and me vibe right now. Play what? Like him and I got kill me. The man muscle rest of the tears come to me eye again. The man take the ask anybody, man take the thing and fling it away, sneer it down rubbish pan, radical dust pan in the I mean, me tell myself say, so me go to good school.
Yeah.
Why me go try go look at work? Me say, this man here, look out all the confident out of me. Me I say to myself, say, I want to start play football for the world. This man here, leaky confident out of me. And Genius look for me, so, and Genius say, Genius see it for me, so I want to cry, And Genius say, and nobody of that, I say, oh, me done it, me hate him. There's something that push him off one cliff. Yeah. So me feel.
You don't like the
at the time, me feel so. But me never did band that way, but at the time when you man me feel, and I be man out of door, and I can't go out of door, and I shame again. And I said to myself, God.
So this is the second shame you got in music.
Watch this now. People don't listen to me now. I listen to Muscle. I'm gonna listen to people. Like a week pass, Stone Love, Father Wee Pow come at Ochi, and then Shaggy Wonder that song says, rush them, Shaggy Wonder, rush them, bow. Anything that man go kill them, bow. Pass. Well, people learn the song now. You know all my voice reach on the Stone Love? I mean, I can't bow them, Then Shaggy say, rush them Stone Love, so rush them. I say, bow. Anything that man go kill them, bow. Pass by the line where I go murder them, bow. I mean, I can't handle bow. Then tell me so you not get me no Stone Love now, no? I'm gonna kill them with the bow, them, man. I mean, have a Hardship, boom. One space left, and then you know all them time, and I like no, them have it easy.
It's dub plate.
The dub plate and one dub plate, one carry 4 songs, so one side carry 4
one
songs.
side,
so there's a
side.
one space left on the dub plate, and Gino said to him, say to Father Wee Pow, man, you remember this, Father Wee Pow, love you, man, you remember this. Say, and then says, Gino say, give him a chance, man, I'm growing there. See them, I say, hey. Then I know me have a song now. So some woman, I'm going to say, girl, them a ball for it. Man, say, we both not bother with that. You're not bother with that. Me lose again,
Boy.
But this time, me lose, right? Me go on the Wee Pow, give me a money. Me feel nice, but Me still want my voice.
You want to be heard.
More, yeah. But then still gone with the bow. Bow, gone with that. Gone still have the bow with Jigsy King. So, you know,
So why didn't you give him the rail up then? Since you know, okay, this is working.
No, the real up. Remember I said, not even me. Remember I said the man kill real up in me, you know. Because at them time, remember I say, Courtney Cole had the real up, but through me just want, at the time, the real up now come to my head because through Courtney Cole fling it to me.
You rejected it, you figure say it's a fool.
It get me so confused as a juvenile. So me know it feel when youth. That's why every time me hear something bad about a youth, I try to take my time and talk to them first. So I know, remember my experience coming through life. So you know, hey, muscle, you know, say, him attack and Genius, I cut off, empty space. Genius I cut off, real up and get them. So you know, say one day, when you listen me now. One day, because Genius start give thought, you know. So we up a roof and Genius get a phone call. And the man say, Genius, the song when you real up, look you singing when name and Genius, him just said when name Jigsy. You can't come out, Waterhouse. That's some Waterhouse people, I love, you know. That time Waterhouse have explicit, you know, team jam down there, you know. And them say, you can't come. Because song and mash up all down here, you know. Can't come Thursday, I'm ready for Monday. Because we more left out the Ochi and God, I'm ready for Monday, you know. And Genius say, get ready. I'm going to, Genius, we left out Wednesday. And we left out Wednesday, I'm going to sleep. Genius, I'm going to go sharp, go set in, you know. And then make sure fall up in that, you know. And yeah, man, just. You see me go a team jam, and me selector say, girl, you not ready? Girl, Penny, you know about girl clothes on the whole Waterhouse nest, you know. Hey, you know my head big already, you know. So you know may get double bigger, you know. So, and the man say, you know what? The youth will sing that song at there, you know. And Genius was gone. And the man them third, the man have the gigi give me. So I say, Waterhouse girl, real up. Girl, you know about girl clothes and girl can sit on the whole place in the sky. As some of me, John.
Because I know you did a lot of work with Roof, John, and a couple of them.
But well, no. Remember, some pass Roof now, you know. Because Roof now, you know, nothing with me, you know. Roof don't, you know, nothing. Because remember, Roof don't kill my career, you know. Roof now, sissy. Say there's a star in the making, you know. Roof fling me real up, you know. Because Courtney Cole don't know nothing how real up make. He don't know how it mix. Listen me now. Everybody listen know how real up going on. All right. When we meet John a Waterhouse, you know, the night, you know, with John have a cool in the head and have a hair pull out, and John, so with John said to me, say, youth, that song that they wrote that are the loudest now. You get. Not even Dan Pen can, you know, Dan Pen said, no. Not even Dan Pen can out and know when we get, no. Said, no. A loud no when we give him, so he said, Genius, can't come a man, you know, in a jammings, when I studio, became vice for with them. Wake up in the morning and Genius give a fever grass and eat 2 slices of bread and nothing more better than ever did there. I just one guy stood there, we end up growing them and we go inside them. And the first thing in my life, I go see a board. Sell a board like that. And the first, big up Jazzwad. I saw me meet Jazzwad for the first in my life.
Okay.
So Jazzwad did it. Jazzwad have a board in front of him. When I go on jammings I play 1, 2, 3. And the general I play. So remember I gig I say my ground for voice. My ground for go voice real up, you know.
Yeah.
And listen me now. So them said to me say, if me have anything young up on the rhythm, man. So you know, in a jamming studio, all the artists go jamming studio, they can tell you, you push 1 door, 2 door,
million
3
doors
door,
in there.
4 door, 5 door, 6, around 78 door for each way mic there. And so I go in there, and I say, God, that's something forever love God, you know. I say, God, please, my Father, God, me make up, please. Don't remember when the mistake, make I forward in my life, I be, tell me because I sing a song, God, me make up, please, Father, don't remember the mistake, do God, please. We go on there, come in, I go back around there with the fine voice, you know.
Big voice.
No, until now, people think I would just sing a song. You hear? 1, 2, 3, you know. They say, I am now. Well, girl, you see it. Girl, on cool face it and do it. Girl, you see it. Girl, on natural body it and do it. Girl, if you're natural. Girl, I make you all up you want. Natural baby love, I make you. Hey, when I go back home, I don't see nobody, you know. John gone. Just what gone. So everybody gone. And I say, God, what am I doing again? When I look, I see everybody come in and a smile. And Gina does one Quinty eye to me. I say,
You pass. You pass.
I say, everybody start look at me like me do something bad now, you know. And Gina say, I quit me have. Then me John said to me, say, yo, me am a real, I'm going to advise him. Me John say, me have anything I go up and read him here. No, everybody will listen to me now, Jigsy King, on this program. I'm going to let you guys know something. I mean, really, and then first I talk them thing, you know, and I only you the boss, can I talk them thing, respect. See, watch this now. So just what I've. Hey, because all of my life, because somebody tell me, say I do something good, you know, and John go say, oh, this is bad. God Almighty, John, and the way the John, you make tears run out of me. Yeah. Well, John go tell me that. I say, John, when I catch that thing at first, that me have sample like, you know. You say, everywhere in the world, when I hear, a bomb job on my voice, that is me, them sample. I told me ready for them, and then they do on stage, them half of Jamaica for run away now. So, when I hear, I say, cock up. So when I hear position, hold up here and cock up your butt. When I hear that and my voice on the ear, say cock up. So I'm the first man doing the bill for. So when me go around them, me say, cock up him. Yeah. Woman, cock up your body and ride. When you see her matey and she don't look nice, girl, you just cock up your body and ride. Them a chat behind about, but don't pay them no mind. Girl, you look good, girl, too, you look nice. Girl, out the road, enough of them a criticize. Pansy Susie and them one name Joyce. Chat behind the back and them a bun bad light. Just because of you, Jigsy King like them, girl. Muggle of you, them off a wait till. Hey, when me go to do the whole place, when me look at Father Jammins, with a big white hole, they can say, I said, Genius, you have to live from there again, you know. And Genius said, no, man, I have to get back a country. Yes. But I need to go back a country, but your Genius don't want me to stay down there. So just don't stay there. Them time they in the studio, you know. We have Bunty on time now. Bunty killer did it, we have them time, you know.
Yeah, because this would have been, what, like around 92?
Yeah, all right. What happened there? Yeah, the ending of 92 because I remember some was 93, you know. Bunty killer was 93 too, you know.
You're coming from the same class, boss.
All right, watch this now. Watch this now. We did promise the people more and tell them. We don't really grown at that them thing, because we don't fight for them glory. You understand? It just got himself inside the eye and eye. Remember now, say this is the song where we cast the war between Bunty and Beenie. Because when we say, oh man, cock up your body and ride. When you see me, and she don't look nice. Bunty killer sing. Haka ya spot him for die. Couple shot in name heart. Hey, name my Beenie Man sing. Mama, your son name a God die. 21 gunshot. So killer say to Beenie say, go back. Hey, if you think I lie, go back, go watch Stone Love. Where I start from? When Beenie Man said, Mama, your son name a God die. Killer say, yo, stop it. You say, Baba, you say what? Lord of mercy, how can you spot him for that? But it's Jigsy King. Woman, cock up your body and ride. When you see.
Okay, so then let me ask you. So then where did you even come up with a medley like that? Did you find it somewhere and then brought it to the. Where did you come up with a vibes like that then?
Most of my lyrics them is like watch what going to the dance and watch the street. And the street always have something for you know. And them turn when you're hungry and we're not going to try to think out of the box. So me always try to think out of the box. But me never have until today me still have me never have a person where you've ever Courtney Cole where come to me and say do this. Me never have no as a you growing up me always out there try. Nobody will come we say 100,000 around 150,000 US. Me always have watch my story now because you alone get them good story. So you know say when we do that Jammins John get Genius, someone if you give me. So them time they know somebody with a fast car shoot Ghana Ochi. So when we in a van I go down or else an RFM, we are here. We are here. There's a place in your heart. There's not the year. Some other place tell me no. Oh Father God, world around the year. When y'all love it, y'all love. Yeah man, you them no, you know. Why but you gone again? Well I know. Some Rita Ochi and the song I play down there. Genius does to me. Remember me have them have said if you boo them about the laugh off of me, I not say nothing to nobody. I just go and hold it. One Thursday now when we get really mad now. This thing turning on my life. So you know say Courtney Cole and a bag of people and 100 girl and everybody did and out of Harlem man them did and me then choose to sing go buy liquor, you know. Cause nothing not going for me. Celebrate the little red shoes and little jeans pants and little shirt. Me then sing go buy liquor. Me not a problem with that, man. If me got the bar for buy the liquor, me worry say. I don't remember who's this youth, but I played this song last week and get great response. I mean, girl, Beenie Me here to try and liquor. So you just real. Girl, I say the whole club in the sky. I run left every liquor. Tonight, me know me done with them. You can't send back me or go back. Not go back in about 2 of them who fling away. Yeah. Me just can't liquor get them, man. And Gene just does that to me. I must go one side, go sit down. You know, me now go back in and no more van back. You know, me change that. Yeah. I stay up on my yard. I stay up on my yard and go on cool. All right, big up. Big A, insert again. Big A, love your general. Big A, thank you for everything you ever do for me, Big A. RFM, want to tell you thank you so much. Thank you so much. Turn me in a person, yeah. You understand? Mighty may God continue to bless your soul and big up Barrow Ian, bless your family and everybody. But big A, see you and GT Taylor and the RFM staff member, I can tell you from my heart, I love you. You understand? On the turn me now a monster with them can't get rid of. So you know, say Big A come down and tell Gina, say, yo, you have stand down and then reel up. And when Big A take reel up, it take 2 weeks for this song go number 1 at Jamaica.
That's how quick.
Every bus, every vehicle, every party, me wanted a tone like one gunman. All right, number 1 in Miami, number 1 in New York, number 1 in Canada.
Real up,
go number 1 in every. Well, listen to me, I say no. Not even me know so me so big. When we go to town, all right, big up Screechy Joe. Because them have showed me was Summarize Center, me don't know where. I say Screechy Joe. I tell me where. Say, well, you come from town, you can't find up. I say, but you me have so much watching on me now. So you know, so me go. Then me got a place when go see me. I tell go say. Go say, so you know, so my name Jigsy. Go say, oh yeah, come in a vehicle. Yeah. Go say, and I saw, go say, because them can't believe on me sing real up, because it's a mash up the whole town, you know.
I remember, you're not in there linking, or you're a one-away youth from Ochi with this big song.
Hey, it's what time me go and see, me go a party, remember every fete, you know. Every school party, people are free. Real, girl, you know about real girl, that whole place, see them start make a thing of them, but yeah, real upside, you know, Jigsy King. Yeah. That just a dip on the road and they've win a roll. So what now? So I said so. I say, you, Courtney Cole, we fling with this song, yeah? Me just stay up a stair town, now, big up stair town. Now the room is shaggy give me, you know. There me yard and look. No, Courtney Cole come and come up with letter about what got me boy? Me say me here boy. Yeah. They said one where you fling where his song. Where you going so my boy got me say no sir. No boy got me now come nowhere. Yeah. Because you run my way and you'll make my career me. And at that time you put me on the back of and rain nearly kill me. So me now come now we Courtney Cole. But then time there's a youth you just swell up on certain thing and him vex and me running about that place and run got real up on number 1 at Jamaica, so running about that place.
Okay. So, with Real Up now, that mix, because remember, you're just talking, you have an intro, and then the rhythm drop when you say Real Up. Who mixed that song then? Was it Barry O'Hare?
No, it was never the Barry. But I come around a Barry's everything to me. But I never Barry mix up one day.
Because remember, you're just giving him an intro, and then you say reel up, and then the rhythm starts. So why I remember that in particular.
No. When or real. Remember I say, oh, it's a giggy. So yes, so they go, girl picking the meat, it will shine like a sun. You're the one place, girl. You just.
Yes, and then that's where the rhythm drops in, because me as a selector them time,
Yeah.
it was always hard to mix that song because there was no rhythm. It's like you had to just hold it, reel up, and then push it in because there was no rhythm at the beginning of the song.
No, guess what we do? We said it because all right, it's like now we call it catch. So we catch it like you just.
Yeah.
So it's a catch and for jump and move. So the girl then get mad when them near that. Girl just fling up them skirt and cock up them back.
Because them time the matey tune them were running. Them time, as you said, Penny Irie was the king of matey tune.
No. I was watching Penny.
Yeah.
I was watching Penny Irie, you understand? Big up Penny Irie, I was watching Penny. No, they don't let me do want to take it out, so. Yeah, and as I watching, and Penny is an I-key person. Him sing I. You understand? So when Courtney Cole come for me, I'm get rid of him. Here come Barry. It was Barry Owen and Mighty Mike, them come for me up there and say, oh, I'm tell you, little boy, if it's a one song can do something. Remember I say bass of this then come for me once.
Yes.
Bass of this then come for me when real go number one in Miami, then come for me and want carry me go, then want come for me and want carry me on show. Carry me on show in Miami because to real up on number one. I'm wanted in Miami and but I go embassy then turn me down.
Okay.
Yeah, man, they turn me the first time because then all they say no one in real up there. So but it just bigger road. So them turn me down. So what happened on Barrio in come for me and Mighty Mike. So they come to me and say, yo, I'm to you. Does the work and just ready, me believe in them and them believe in me. So me now go groove student now. I go groove student now. So Barry play back the bogle beat. Cause them time the bogle rhythm out there. You understand? So what we used to do them time because them in the lettering Dave Kelly them in the lettering pan for them rhythm. So we have Barry play back the rhythm back.
Remix the rhythm.
They play back rhythm there. So yeah, so and then I'm just sample it. I forget you. I forget the body girl want your body bad. The body can't tell me I know. I forget you. Cry whenever you use pan your body make your body so smooth. I forget the body me I tell you the truth. Walk my road man say you want salute. No man call her no pan code. 100% she's I forget you.
Yeah.
I forget straight on number one again. Straight on number one. So what happened them time and I saw me and Buju become rival because that's what now. Every time when Buju put a song on number one, my song move it. Cause them time if you remember good Bogle at the other feed day. The wicked is dance from out and I'm say come on Curtis, and Barry play the rhythm. I say, do you catch a brand new lick? Butterfly, mashing up.
So okay. So were you actually almost like counteracting the song? Are you saying, okay, he got a big song, so I could put something here too? What was it that you were doing at that time?
No. We also try for put back a flavor back to a flavor because you are going now. We want the beat, but then not give the beat. So, but then time we have name in the street. So one night we go Metro Media dance and them time the girl them so weird. You know that dress the girl them so weird and every time on long split so they on the black. So the girl them so hold on the knee and I come so now. I say to myself say, what kind of dances? Yeah, so me say, hey, me say look like a butterfly. Say, do you catch a brand new lick? Me say butterfly, mashing up the whole district. Butterfly, driving all the young girls wild. Butterfly, Brooklyn and butterfly. Oh man, you just dance butterfly on the latest style where the young girls them like skin out of foot like a ride, do one rhyme, knock your knee and then start to glide. Man, but I left a muscle pan the listen me now muscle. Yeah. Say no say. You know, so we do that now, we do that now, and street that go number one fast, So So Dave, big up Dave Kelly. You know, say, because I'm not nobody. Dave Kelly say him. Deserve something big. Cause Dave Kelly was a genius to the dancehall. Any man, any man no one said that something wrong. Big up Dave Kelly. Put some respect on the man name.
100%, bro.
Dave Kelly, big up Dave Kelly. I'll do enough voice on Jigsy King. I tell you Dave Kelly, you know, if I know you, Dave Kelly, summertime I think, you know, because you're really rhythm. We are buried in playback, and so we get a chance. So big up this officer, big up Dave Kelly. Everything up now here for youth.
Okay. So before we even move forward, because you said this is where you and Buju basically almost turn right, because you said your inspiration was Papa San and Shabba. Papa San was a lyrics man.
There you go.
Shabba had the big voice, but you see the big voice you're using. We could clearly see as day it was basically like a Buju, but from Ochi. That's what it sounded like. And remember, there was a couple of you guys that was using that voice.
No, let me tell you about one. But if you notice good, you know, remember say me boss with a fine voice, you know. I remember Buju boss with a fine voice, no. Remember say, when I say, real up, girl, you never borrow a girl, Buju. When we understand me that if you remember it was two fine voice. Two fine voice. But we're not taking nothing away from Mark Myrie. You understand? Big up Buju Banton. Because Buju Banton I want who help me to be the person who me is. You understand? So me not taking nothing from Buju. You understand? Not taking nothing from Buju. And Buju no normal DJ, you know. I mean, the man fool, you know. Hear them talking and have them about Mark Myrie. I know one normal DJ. You can tell big up Buju Banton anyway. I'm a normal DJ. So what really take place now is easy. Dave Kelly then got chop a thing no name action not about and turf always and nothing so that and Buju go up and say over the dicky the girls are going bad. I say Barry can't make this left rhythm and Barry this and play back and me just say hey girl say hey girl my friend. It's like girl first girl fight over your man Alfredo move on go along girl first girl friend and then a girl from Canada. Which name? She and Buju Banton go back on the rhythm again, and the second class, gone garlic. She name. The second class, the second. What this girl thinking?
Yes, oh man.
She name some other that gun girl is. I don't remember what she name like that.
I know what you're talking about. Yes.
So guess what now? So yeah. So Buju and I go on the rhythm. I'm gonna say. Go back on the rhythm again, me and Tony Curtis. Next number one, me and Curtis. Remember that song? Me and Curtis. I'm so glad you're my girl. I call you every time. Singing on the line from 9 till 5. Oh man, me just want your body to a goal. Feel somebody get me out of control. Oh man, me just need the There's some music, it's so 90s music. It's all music. Nice.
But I think at that time there were it seemed like you were almost counteracting the songs, but I don't think at that time, I'm not sure if you've seen it that way, but I'm pretty sure they've seen it that way.
And you see, them time it wasn't about the songs, about the rhythm. Because guess what now? Them time there, remember if from 1 second DJ good, and them time, all right, them time there, no go full DJ couldn't debut. Because you couldn't go in a jam, it's not on the foolish and get with it. You have to DJ for the gate, man.
Of course.
You couldn't go and steal it with a foolish steal it and then that to leave the studio. You couldn't go and slide him because nobody know fool. You have can DJ. And I like no man. Yes, that you have can DJ.
Yeah.
So what really happened? What happened now? So the thing I get a controller now. Watch this now. So you know say, but they are my book up on honorable. Honorable, but you know, to act like fire them time, you know. So honorable have the Corduroy Riddim, you know. Honorable, give me the Corduroy Riddim, and me can't come to Jamaica, you know.
Okay.
Honorable, big up honorable. Honorable, give me the Corduroy Riddim and Corduroy Riddim. The first man advice for the Corduroy Riddim is honorable, you know. So honorable, give me the Corduroy Riddim and can't come to Jamaica. And can't come and can't down my Courtney Cole here, you know. And so I go vice man Riddim, you know. Guess what? The brother with name Andrew is a you, Andrew. It's a you. When me no vex with you again, Andrew, me just knows a part of my challenge can hurt this. But it hurt me. Because Andrew, what do you say Beenie Man, you know? Big up Beenie Man. Love your youth. Bad artist. Big up Beenie Man. See? Great artist. So Beenie Man Jigsy. Then we could see your boss so big. Andrew tell Beenie Man say, you know, say me have a rhythm down there, women have vice president and so Beenie Man and Anjo drive come a groove, and take with my rhythm, Anyone that say Beenie Man and ask him. Anyone that say Beenie Man and ask him. That means on say, I just show them hide me people, them hide me if me make Bounty Killer and Beenie Man, them find them two big songs out of my song, Cock Up Your Body and Ride. I got a spring for there and Mama your son them die. Beenie Man can take the rhythm. Take my rhythm and carry go. Because Courtney Cole them carry go a shocking vibe. And my rhythm make everybody boss. You see, remember what you do now. When they carry the Corduroy Riddim go a shocking vibe, Then put a bass in it, and then Silver Cat. Me have to fall on me hand. When the caca wanna end, but the caca put me in a problem. So my rhythm that. Super Cat, I saw my brother, because them youth my brother. You understand? Me glad it works though, because is Silver Cat. Oh, one of the greatest the artists, big up Silver Cat, big up Klein and people love him.
And that was where he got his break.
Right, him getting break. The big up Luca Kirk, him sing over Tevin Campbell song there, Ready to Love You. You understand? Snagger Puss, I'm going to tell them on it Snagger Puss, it pan tone. Then Beenie Man find two big songs pan it. Beenie Man, Heaven versus Hell again, all right. Beenie Man even go up on the rhythm and diss me.
What do you mean?
This make a Beenie Man say, so the next one, he must say, say man the butterfly, man the pretty, but Beenie Man me say, no Moses. Me say, oh man, dance butterfly the latest style. So woman dance butterfly. Women must say, the man the butterfly, man the pretty. Me say, no Moses, woman dance butterfly the latest style. So watch this now. But music was so sweet. And I'm not change about music now, because music still sweet. Big up Vybz Kartel, because the bar where you can just go youth. Me never the dream say a reggae artist gonna get $1 million US. So any man who don't read Kartel and something wrong with him, I get back down to Jigsy King business. But big up Kartel. When I try to say to you, brother, say, it's when we do that now, we do that, I say, yeah. So you know, say, when all that sun and go up on the cardi ride, I bex, I'm start cuss Courtney Cole, and Courtney Cole say, we are cuss me for me and Andrew take it, Andrew and Beenie Man can take it. And I say, John, no dog, come when Beenie Man them have them bad rhythm, but them not send come roof from you, and the man then take on my rhythm. So so now Barry play, got a story along, I don't want to go to the shop. Barry play the Freedom Blues for me, Dum, 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 dum. Yes. Listen this now. Want the whole on listen this now. How them deal with Jigsy King, Wicked at Jamaica. So say Barry play that for me. I may have a rhythm, and let's say I got vice on the rhythm. I get the whole thing from Bob Clark. And say I drive from here. Couldn't find out my salvation. I say with the backside this. What is God? I call Courtney Cole and say, Courtney. I say, Courtney. I ask you a question. All the rhythm chakra left from the road. Boy, you know me, Andrew take out and carry go a penthouse.
Second time again.
Andrew. Me the tell me say, me see Andrew, me broke one eye on them, Me see me broke one eye on them, You know what? It had me blood a bubble up and a butter bun me up and I said to myself, I say, no, I go to penthouse. Because they read him the penthouse.
So you're going into the Lion's Den at this time here now?
At the Lion's Den, I go in and I say, I go to penthouse. Remember, how my reading reach penthouse. I say, I'm going up there now. I go up there. I go and I say, Stumpy, Stumpy cool. And I tell him, say, yeah, I'm coming. Remember, my rhythm. Me if vice it a groove and vice down a watchy, it they a penthouse. But now listen me now the people saying. You say me go up there? I just say, yeah, I say come vice from reading me now. And I'm sorry, come now. You say me say, remember so it was me, Donovan, Jeremy, and I think Tony Killing did it, Stumpy the man. Me never see Dave and me never see Buju. And when me start DJ, me say them, all right, the way me get nervous, me make all mistake when the song, So people, me make mistake when the song, me say Dave, because Dave Jordan got in my face, and Buju Banton come like look for the glass, then come right at the glass and I look at me say, hey, me can feel it eat it's a run through me, And me just say, me make mistake, come get nervous.
Yeah.
And me say, watch it. People who go searches, when I go searches and I go laugh. Me say, her man from down on Senton. Me fi say, sing along, but you me nervous, me say, ting along. Me say, ting along, cause them come my glass. And me never nobody there for me. You understand? So me say, her man from down on Senton. Ting along. Give me the weed, go dance the weed. Want to burn the dunk and you will murder the breed. Give me the weed, go sense the weed. Ganja me swarm me Allah, yes indeed. Ganja dealing of the nation. Ganja was found on the grave of King Solomon. Then test and pass, scientist plus doctor man. I saw me no eat out with true tradition. Well, I will walk through the valley, then they run through this one. Now stop them move along until me reach the weed land. Check now you being the true Rasta man. I check muscle and the two conscious one. And does it get a jar? Canada, give me the weed. Go ahead. So I saw that song there. Do I do it to my penthouse?
Okay. Was that the first time that you actually met Buju now when you recorded that song, or you met him before?
No. We met. We go there. We can talk. I'm not sugarcoat nothing. I met Mark Buju with the team splash and was it on the ferry, them time there. That time me at him at like fire, and then like. Two him I go so hard a big from the touch stage a big gunshot stuff. I wanna go look up that show there. We go so hard we will play everything with us a big gunshot. Then the star, more go find the star, more ask the star, come on to never see. And the try go check the star for that picture with me, Buju Banton and Jigsy King. I'm a church out man, like it's like look how close it is to me. I'm a church out. Me love him so much. So me church out me and me can't church out no more. Like so long me and church out. Yeah. Church out the one day. No, don't get Buju can't come right there, so. There's a Buju can't film when me a church over. If somebody so I start to take picture of you I saw it, we take picture of his star,
Yeah.
Normal you should I saw take picture. No man, them man not shake for me, man. Right as them man take picture of me, right as them man now. He's not gonna afraid on this, right as them man. Say no same. I don't know, say no, but I love him still,
Yeah.
I love Mark, It's a great artist, We love Buju Banton. No disrespect to Buju, great.
Because I could understand where Penthouse would start feeling the ways, because basically, you and Tony Curtis was their answer to Buju and Wayne Wonder. You understand? So then you could see where they could start feeling a way. It's like, what's really going on here?
No, but it's a Wayne. No, Wayne is one of the person who tell my father to love me, So Wayne Wonder is indifferent until today. I'm a best one of my best friend.
Wayne Wonder's one of the greatest people
I've
ever met
let me
in
tell you about this.
Spot.
Wayne Wonder people, trust me, say him. Wayne Wonder are the I think when I made the word name great. I think Wayne Wonder was right there. And I make a word name conscious person. I think Wayne Wonder was right there. Wayne Wonder, big up to you and your family, and great youth. Him got, you see my struggle him got through. Him have a story then a normal and takes it sit down around there and just show. We don't want to talk. I'm up on your program. Enough to me to talk on your program, but me talk something about your program. Good, I can't go back to Jamaica, You understand? But as I'm say, God are the greatest. God the greatest. God them give me. Cause them give me basket for carried water, And then those time I live up here, water run out tight because if you check people, it's if you not check. The amount of number one song when me have, come and start talk about song it. The amount of number one song when me have, and the amount of song me have in the world, when me have in the world, see? And every time them keep them big show. Then they keep them big show. Come in the favorite talk, they keep them best of the best. Then find them put some man pan we have 2 songs, 1 song, 3 songs. And man like me have 19 number one song. Me can't just sing from now till a morning. No. I mean, you never sing the way my lyrical bad. The way you wanna get me some lyrical bad down. Any boy feel like him bad, face me right now. Any me no matter who's the guy is. Don't face me, now if you thinking about. I'm showing you something about, let's show you about how dangerous me is. But I'm going to get back in which part I chat from. So when we don't do, give me the weed, actually don't know. So you know, say one day, we're on tour. We're on tour and like, it's so sad that my brother passed out that I garnet silk, you know, and we canceled the tour.
Okay.
We canceled the tour and said we're going to show respect. I remember the garnet was part away in the car. When garnet come first, it was Little Bimbo. And so when it come in their roof, so it's all of them sang there. It can say, me did it when the song they're doing now. I say, I can see clearly now the rain. Because we just a far right. Put your trouble, watch them all away. Mama, them sang they build right round way.
That's a roof. Yes, man.
Them sang they build, all them sang they build round way. So, you know, forever love Garnet, you know, the art, you know, so Garnet, kids them and everybody, you know, just know, so you have a real uncle right here, Jigsy King, love on Uncle Garnet is always something part of me. You know, and always will be. So listen one no. Hey, that busy and easy, you know. So you know, say, we come down and say, we go come celebrate the life of the General Garnet Silk. Watch me now say, so I go my Garnet funeral now and said so now. And I walk past me and my friend them, I'm here. Look at youth! Look at youth! Me say, look at youth. When I go dental and I go Casey, what I know they on my bird paper, but look at youth. Just kiss me did I walk, said, me here. Jigsy King! I hear my name now, because I can read and write. I look around and I say, still, that's why I'm in a chat to sing as long as life live in a chat back to him. Are you Buju Banton? Look at youth. So I stop now. And Buju step up to me. I say, I want to answer something. To them, I know, say, I never done the business. Because to them, I plan to give some thump, you see. Because I'm not fast with him, I know I love him, you know.
Yeah.
I'm not fast with the brother, you know. You know, I love him and respect him. So I said, talk with you, you know. I want to answer a question, and I said, go ahead, no. That time I fold my fist, long time I fold my fist, and I say, give some thump, you see. Because I don't have a thick body, and I come out body, I can give some thump. So, you know, so much later, I say, you know, I drop him pants off my waist like in name Bob Marley. I drop him pants off, you know. I want to ask the man something. I say, go on and ask now, you know. So, when you sing the song, say, I want to be a shepherd, what do you mean? I say, I'm a madman this. So I say, what you mean by that, you know? Because if a man want to be a shepherd, a man must buy some sheep. I say, no, say. You know? Yeah, my sacrifice, huh? Yeah, my son. I bear somebody, yeah, too terrible. You're too terrible. I can't, yes, I'm not going to do that. Yeah, my son, yeah, my sacrifice. Berries, them are going to fight. Yeah, berries, no. Yeah, well, I your berries, huh? You know, berries talk, yeah, berries. No, man, I don't think I'm going to fight you. Well, I don't. I'm a fool, I'm a fist them, so, you know. You know, it's real nice between me and them as thing. I'm a walk off. I said to myself, God, look at me now fast on the body. Why this a one song I cause problem? I want to be a shepherd, boy. Walk through this land and preach him good word. Cause I was raised to print curse. Yes, and if I can't praise God, pour me hand down the earth. Oh, give me my strength on the Almighty God. Guide and protect me every day when me chad. Now let me down. No, you must see mad. Always around to me, the massive feel glad. Like Moses on the hill, I beg stand up with the rod. Who said no God not there, but me no say them mad. Oh Lord, Father God, push up your hand like a flag. I need to hear from your love, Master God. I want to be a shepherd. Whoa. Just that alone, me say, I'm never get thump up for that. So,
The funny thing with that song there, didn't you record that song for Shocking Vibes?
Yeah, follow my career, man. Yeah, follow my career.
After you kind of get bits, because he took away the car.
So the thing is, I'm just a, because I guess I know, my mother teach me, as I'm so, me man so poor, so me never have that time to think about the badness, and it come to me, listen me now, Me can say this, I mean, I know about no more artists in Jamaica. All my life, come now and can own a piece of money and can buy something. No boy in Jamaica can say Jigsy ever buy them a bullet. No boy can say Jigsy ever buy them a gun. Me not buy boy, they could have ever kill me now. Me not give boy bullet, buy boy bullet. I mean, I give boy a gun. Me not send a man go beat no man. Me not send a man go kill. I must say, that's why they don't rate me, you know. They don't want to give me the rating, they forget because it's true. Me not bad at myself and
Badness.
and then you know, and then me not send a man go beat no selector. I mean, I send a man cap off, not gonna fire and a shot in the ear. But me have news for tell you know, for that in a way, for that, for boss me big in the world and me not go boss big enough because me not kill nobody. Me not killing nobody. Me not shoot nobody, and me not say no man do nothing at all to nobody. So if I saw no one have me then because me nah give a little thing we God give me for no boy. Say man no done can one done me have and a God. One done me have and a God. Me heal up some man, yeah, but my done a God. Yeah, so I can't take that and go one side. So what happened now? What really happened? You see after that now, remember I said Barrington Levy another chapter in my life, you know. And Barrington Levy, you know, is a big singer. Remember I never got to Barrington Levy, you know. Barrington Levy coming from England. Barrington Levy said, yo, you mash up England, you're going bad, you know, because David Roddy can see me. I said, David Roddy can see me. Hey, Jigsy, you're a great artist, you know. You're big in England. So I said, yeah, man. I said, thanks. I said, you know, so Barrington Levy come to me and say, I have a song named, every person must work. Every person must work hard. Working is a thing that so I stay in the studio. So my studio down lab and write on my palm. Lazy man, they not go work. Man and woman, they better try and do some work. Jigsy King, I sing, say, lazy man, they not. Yeah, some man and woman, they don't want to work. Sit punk on them all like a, and the songs of whoop. I got number one everywhere. Until now, number one in every Caribbean island. Remember, you know, it got number 6 on the Billboard chart. Remember, me a bowl. Remember, say, all right, at the only time Bogle and William God come from BET, you know. BET, you know, because I remember telling you, see the video from BET, then you have a girl named Rachel. I mean, you will never ever hear me walk and tell nobody about, say, boy, the songs are, no, I'm not grow that way there. Me not grow that way there. Mr. Youth with us. Anybody know you can tell about Jigsy? Mr. Youth with us. Humble and cool. And me find that say it really work. It really work for us. It was quiet and cool. So the boastiness and hype was never no part of me. And
But even with that video, their work, is there 2 versions or there's only one?
One version, man.
Okay. Why are you not in that video?
You are going in that video then. I'm sure you know. Barrington Levy and Screw them call me and said to me, say, you know, I just show me know if I sell out still. But me can't talk this and the man can't talk me in my face. They come to me and them say, they might get a deal for me. They might get a deal for me if it start tour Barrington Levy because the song big. So Sony, because I remember the song them of Sony or MC, you know, if a person must work. So me tell him, say, at the time that they remember we started linking up with a man named Light Evans. You know, me saying pass away, condolence to him and his family and everybody. And so them I tell me, say, come in and sign a contract, you know. And but me I look pan where me and Tony Curtis are come from. Me look pan and say, the thief in the dumpling and the can the saltfish and jump and, you know, me can't just, the money nice, you know.
So they wanted just you. They didn't want you
No,
as a duo.
they don't want Curtis. They never want a Curtis. They just want Jigsy King.
Well, you had the big song with Barrington at this time.
Yeah, me had the big song with Barrington, but me I got Japan. Me I got Japan them time. It was me, Sugar Miner, big up Sugar Miner. You can, you know, love me. I really miss Sugar Miner. Me miss Bob Bandy too. Bob Bandy, Master Griffiths, Berries. Leroy Smart. It was Shaggy was on the show with Reed too, and it was a big the giant show. We were Japan and trust me, me must have go watch them show there with me in Japan, me and Barris them and everybody, you know. And then it's an experience for me where I will never ever forget it. Me understand? So me turn them down. But tell them I can't do it because at the time I have Curtis in my spirit, but the money them offer me, and because I take it and I buy a house and buy something, but me couldn't turn down my friend Tony Curtis at that time when they offered me the money. So and that's something that went in the video. Because if you notice, it was Willie Agat and Bogle.
And a bunch of people
A bunch of people, so that's why you gave me voice number the second half.
Yes, because if I remember good, the record, the 45 version, your verse is more at the top. But in the music video now, it's like
so me know say see you're really generous. Not because I'm not gonna be in the video because I tell him no. I tell him I can't do it. I remember MCA. It was MCA production was MCA, so big money behind it and big everything behind it. And true not knowing me choose loyalty over royalty. Me choose loyalty because this is my friend. Remember come from down Linstead when nothing not going on, you understand?
And you invited him to roof and all them.
Yeah. So I couldn't just jump because at the time we just know Tony Curtis, that Jigsy King and Tony Curtis were friends before music. So me not make because of music mash up our friendship. That so me see it, me don't know him see it. But me tell myself that as a youth, growing up as I get a youth. So then I know at them time Freddie, bigger Freddie McGregor. Anyway they Freddie, Captain, love you, Chino and brother them everybody. Genius, everybody, enough love to the whole family. The Freddie family. Them time Freddie them have I was born a win. Freddie, we no matter where they must say we come from, good breed. Born as a winner, so we must have to lead. Chucky, me so you up play hard figured, have enough big man. How wait I used to be good. I listen to them. So we to me. Your father we to me. Boy, every time I think to me, I give up on you, you find too big. Boy, Jigsy King, you're the baddest. Hey, hear me do the Wee Pow. Big up father Wee Pow. Hear me do the Wee Pow. All right. Computer Paul, big up Computer Paul and what have you. Computer Paul, Wee Pow say I play rhythm. And I say, boy, I say Jigsy, I play rhythm now. More you did there now. Computer Paul I play. Pam 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 pam. I'm say, yeah, me, Wee Pow, Curtis, and over 2 hours, me and the man them cuss for, you know. Guess what them cuss for? What? But tell him some want change something in the dance hall, what them never see. That's what I mean. I say, I want DJ first. Hey, cause that never happen in Jamaica, you know.
No, cause how it went, singer, then DJ, then singer.
Well,
then
me
DJ.
the only man, them hide me, you know.
Yeah.
Me the first man brought that and go number one, you know. And me brought that the spell there, me brought that spell there. Me cuss me a Wee Pow, no. But I hear that thing me I do. How me if do this? Make sing first and me say Wee Pow, try it. It's a one, then God said them I give me a try. You know? All right. One time I get a try and see if ever go in the house or replay it, I ain't not getting no forward. We change the background. Me just say young, pram. Girl, any man you want, you can't get. Fierce and take life on your body perfect. Girl, any man you need, you can't. I can run after more them on easy if you get. Girl, jump and say yes. Any man you want, girl, you know you can't get. Fierce and take life on your body perfect. Anyway you pass through an instant dead. Girl, run after more them on easy if you get. And in that era you know borrow girl dress. Where you find the girl you kill them with distress. All of the girl them big up your chest. Curtis sing, lately seem to be so insecure. I move on around, no go and leave me alone.
Now that you say it, I played that song, I heard that song a million times, but it never really registered in my brain. See, it's really the DJ came before the singer, you know.
I may create that.
Yeah.
Because growing up in Jamaica, it's always a singer. So there's a time myself say, more and try it and say, look, and them 2 hours them have me out for. And tell me say, nah working. I even notice, and me can change that.
A road frag, that was a road frag.
Me frag with him, and me can change that.
Because even 2 songs that were instrumental in your career, Bass Odyssey and Stone Love. Because when did Future Troubles get the higher?
When Future Troubles get the higher, we are taking voice in the studio. We are taking voice. Them Future Trouble, remember Future Trouble dancing, him to dance, you know. Them cut short, you know, the Ochi, you know. You understand? So we know so the youth have talent. So when he come and say, yeah, ooh, this one, you follow it and dance. So we didn't know the youth have talent. But we never shown a bad face because if you go and ask Little Hero and go and ask Diplomat them and go and ask Chiller Rinch. And Chiller Rinch become Chesedek.
Yes,
You understand? Chiller become Chesedek and all of them, no? Ask them who was Jigsy King. I made the first man get Diplomat visa. Then I gave him man visa. I gave Curtis them visa. I gave him man visa. You understand? And you understand me. One day, Courtney Cole gonna make a mistake. I gonna make me know the man in Miami. My man was named Larry, and I'm gonna tell the man say yo. Yeah. No, I'm gonna tell the man say yo. And I say, Jigsy, we're thinking about another show up Orlando. And I say, hey, but need visa for it. Man say visa, no problem. We ain't got to about visa, no problem. I move everybody that I watch. I move for once in the same. I move everybody one time, man. I'm here ramp with. I'm my friend. Cause guess what? Me want to get pressure off me. Cause guess what? Me with this red van I drive, and then when the drive coming. Cause sometimes a man really want to eat, and want no bad mind, but guess what? You in them face every day, this shiny something you will do. As a youth like me, boss, go ask them. All of my friends, I send them away, Cause me never want to play the role of one boss, So my vehicle them 10, and if me drive my vehicle 10 times, I drive it enough, because me never want to play the role of a boss. Go ask anybody in the world how much time they see me in my vehicle. I drive my vehicle.
Because you turned out to be the big star over at Roof.
Yes, but me never want to carry that weight there. Cause me know it come in the world for something. I mean, no want nobody do me nothing. The man, them bad runner this. Them bad runner will be me now. Nobody will me. So me make sure them bad runner. Don't make it that good. Nobody will me. So me make sure. Me make sure when the bread come. Me make sure leave the bread alone. Me then take anything they want to take out. Like if you ever go on like it, then give big foot and bigger and bigger. Me no want nobody do me that. So me make sure left everything and walk away. I make sure everybody alright. If you go ask, Guinea Pepper them about me. Ask the youth, all of the youth them about me. Ask them how me make them something. Some of my cuss Courtney Cole for everybody, Yeah, because I want every youth. Because I say, I come through which part, not never did, and nobody them never did rate me. So me I make sure every youth go through that door. You understand? Me I try the way for bend on the poverty thing. Round way, and that's why all of my friends until today, me send with everybody a friend, go check my record, Me not come like some artists with the boy, both not Jamaica in a way. We have the chance to send with them friend them, Me not worry about no youth. Yes, and go check up at Dintil and go check those. All right, check in the street. You will know what going in the street with most artists. More artists, you understand? Them of them good friend them, which part of them come from far. Help your friend, you understand? You know so we quicker for make our money. Because I don't left for that program, I'm go back within Canada now. By the time I leave and go up on the road, because I make on $2,000 and $3,000. So I change me make $3,000 go back to Jamaica. That's 300,000 that me have to, you understand? So we still have people. We still have people. No, we still have people. We look for. We have youth. We go to school. We have response to them because when I go to school, people respond to me. So we have to come back and show about the love there. We now coming in a community and buying a boy and a gun. We now buying no boy and a gun. Go ahead.
And I hear thing.
No, that's not my thing. Then.
As I was saying, it was really based out of Stone of they were really instrumental in your career. But if you even see, I would say in your career, your hottest time was between 92 to 95.
No, man, in the bus 92,
It wasn't, okay, some of the songs that you recorded, they were recorded in 92, but they came out like in 93.
Yeah, the ending in 92 and then come 93. Because what happened is I guess God, I can't be nobody else more than God. I think God did say, you know what? Him know the art when a Jigsy King. And if I put Jigsy King through this door, he's not gonna live for himself. And God really said something to me, within inside me and say, yo, I want the talent I give you, my give it for you help some people. Because talent is not something you boast with, and show off with, Talent is something with that give come from God. You don't boast yourself and show off, you understand? Just like how some of my musical brothers, they don't want to call their name, You will say all people and they tell me, yo, me not sign no. Without the people, then we are nothing. You understand? So remember you see most of the old big hosts that we buy are the fans them do that because
100%.
Because without the fans, all right, make Sunfest ever keep. I excuse the Joe going out there. Make Sunfest ever keep and nobody not turn up and save and so him feel. We cannot do this without the people then. We are tell me not come like some boy. And there's some afraid sometimes when we just get feisty, We have to learn to love and respect people. You have to learn, mostly have to learn to love and respect people. Because these are the fans. Even when a man say, yo, Jigsy and I'm DJ, I still love him. Because him having them thoughts of Jigsy and I'm DJ, that's still in them thoughts. You understand? So if a Massacre I'm DJ and a Buju I'm DJ and a Bunty I'm DJ, guess what? I love him for that still, because guess what?
It's
the
music.
game, know the game I'm in, a dancehall. So if you even love them, it's still jam me along the way.
It's music, boss.
Yeah, still jam me along the way. So me love, me learn for love and respect. It carry a far way. So on my journey, me end up start sing a bag of song start. Song just start coming at me for album. When we sing, when the stagger like here, boom, 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 oh no go rap, pam, pam. Tell them say we don't powder. All right, all right. When we sing pan rhythm there now, Winston Riley, stop it, and say, when you go sing pan rhythm, man, and say no and check, to Genius. Can we sing the song for Genius? And then stop it, and and go up something, VP them and stop it. And take one of the clean track them and press it back over and put techniques on it and I saw it start go on a film thing. But he ended up losing it before him pass. He ended up lose it because so when the killer did Vybz Kartel man fumble
them, yes, and the same
killer and the same thing he do too. In stop it too, but him end up losing at the court because it was never film one. Yes, and so we go through, but then all right. And them tell you when they give me the sound rhythm, the duck rhythm, I say then that me and killer upon the duck rhythm now. Killer have Killer.
Boy, you dead this time.
Killer boy, you're dead this time. Me ever gone with them seat and me have. Oh, well then no one understand all of to this word man. First time they come on, they must live too long. Why you judge a book by the
Yes.
Yeah, man, tell God.
Yes, but even when you look at even Lodge, you have the skin to skin connection on the same.
No, yeah, but skin to skin connection. Woman, them are crying for loving and affection. Not a mercy, skin to skin connection to that loving and devotion. I know the cream, but on the cone, make the plane fly. Woman, a passport.
Listen, I remember. That's why I'm saying you came out of you and Killer. Basically came out of you guys are the same class because you guys basically got your break the same time. You understand? Which was the 93-ish, 92, 93-ish time.
Yeah, all right,
you got the break.
Rodney, I'm going to tell you something about you. I don't know why them take so long for another youth there, because see, Killer now is a artist way. Him different, man. And them my brother, him Killer is a youth way. Him different, man, And I guess we share the said thought, the said everything, and coming up as a juvenile, me and him, and Killer will tell you, and then when me and Bunty start link up, when Bunty start link up, and it's like we link up in a water house and me, so I gotta see if you go check him, and then. We just become so close. We come so close, and then Me know killer. Me know art to him have, you know. Bounty Killer are real youth, you know, and no curious in DJing Badman song, him no want nobody for dead. You know, but you have to understand, say our craft. You understand? But the different one as a nice person, you know, Rodney. And on the see for yourself, say killer put all on the art out. So the respect when we get at the Barclays Center. When we say killer DJ Barclays Center, we see place ram up, you know. Tears run out of me, you know. Cause guess what now? I just feel happy and I feel like I'm me up there.
Of course, because remember, you guys are coming from the ground same time, you know.
So
You've seen the rise.
Big up Bounty Killer. Well done, my general. Love your youth. Big up Banky and big up everybody around Bounty Killer. Protect him for me, you know. I'm a killer that, you know. I the only man that me laugh so much, guy. You know, remember, you know, cause killer with me, I say, you know, say, cause you know, Bounty now say Jigsy, then you yeah. Yo, King big boy, yo, so big up Bounty Killer.
You recorded for basically every major label from Digital Beat, Jammies, John,
No,
Black Scorpio.
what you do? My Bounty Killer book brother. My Bounty Killer book brother. I can't remember I was book up in that studio. My Bounty Killer book brother. When Bobby Digital, you know, big up Bobby Digital, the whole family, you know, and Killer Vice. Killer verse. Them can't take him on, tell them go away. I go verse September. I go verse. Oh man, put on your dear clothes, I'm on them. Your pretty face, I give them problem. Girl, you just put on your dear clothes. It's so old. The music so dominant and strong. You know, and it's like, I'm glad this part dancehall finally get a chance to be back now, cause. You know, no disrespect to the youth them we are doing now, you know, cause you know, you understand. We did come to us as youth too, so we not really beat them for the youth them. We just want the youth them to know say protect this for we, because Shabba and Ninja Man them protect this thing for we. So me Bounty Killer, Buju, Mad Cabra, Beenie Man, Spragga Benz. Me not left out none of my friend them. I talk about the general degree matter, then the Mega Banton, and then the big up Capleton. Capleton. Watcha. Salute. Big up Sizzler, big up all of them man. We keep that thing dancehall, lyric culture. You understand? The Ninja Kid them and everybody. So any one of my friends, and me not try left out now. The daily ranking, the daily ranking and the fambo. Me still a big up all Bobby Lick shot, I big up every single body who there with we there with we Buccaneer them time there. Yeah, so it show no it proved to and show no how 90s dancehall dominant, just like 80s dancehall. You understand the Johnny P, even the Squilly Rankin and the
Admiral
Peter Mitchell.
Bailey.
No, the Admiral Bailey and the Josie William and the Charlie Chaplin.
Chaka
The
Demos.
Chaka Demos and the players them and the Pinchers them and the Lucian and them. Oh, dancehall and reggae music can't be the same without them. You understand? So it's one family. You know, we embrace everybody in a family, in a this. Love your Burris, love your Master Griffith, love your Freddie McGregor, Benji Meyer, them, the wall of them. They just want to tell you no thanks. All the people who was before me, the Colin Davis, them and everybody. And on top of, you know what the problem was them that cut out the musician them. Out of the music and the way and that's for them that go wrong. So the musician them need to come back into the business. Firehouse crew them and rough cut bands them all. We need big up Derek Barnett a foreign and big up all of them man who play. We need back the money for blow back the arm them back in the thing.
You didn't see Killer brought out the horn section in Barclays, boss.
You about that match if it is on this side there and big up all of we need to get back the real producer them back in that thing. Nothing wrong with the youth them do them thing now. But big man them go back for join back out, big up Fatta. Big up run a Fatta, you know, big up Bobo them. Yeah, so Pantap and restaurant road, so big up Fatta and their wife. Virgin dancehall. If you ask me, I can't let me not start singing a song again. But if you ask me, if I will do this over again, I'll go back to the set spot. But probably this time I can't want jacket. The next time I can turn the water come over my car. We cover me.
Everything you've done led you to right here. But before we even get there, as I said, you recorded for a lot of the big labels. One label I couldn't, well, two of them, but I think I know why for one. Two of them I couldn't find you recorded for, Steely and Clevie and Penthouse.
No, them now. You are going at early age. Me and Curtis go up. We're gonna take Donovan Jermaine, and we go up there. And Curtis starts sing, and Jermaine say no, Sanchez too good in can Vybz Kartel. and then Chumuga DJ want to have a bad man song. He said, no about that. Because by writing, I'm gonna even know because Donovan Jermaine coming up that German really like DJ. Everybody have to sing for Donovan Jermaine. Because then time Pinto's biggest artist them time they Linstead she come from. But she live in Canada, Nana McLean.
Yes, boss.
So Nana McLean, me no sugarcoat them, me no miss when me attack. Yes, and so everybody did the wood as a DJ and then they run a Penthouse have to sing. I mean, then the Tony have to sing. Tony could say, when me love like a fresh vegetable, Tony have to say, when me love like a fresh vegetable.
You have to
So tell me that you love Tony. You have to sing because Penthouse was never about a dancehall. You have to sing. Yes, so everybody there with us sing. Yes, and so but don't a shocking that so no it was hardcore dancehall.
Because that's where Beenie Man, the whole of them, Tanta Metro,
Yeah,
Devante, the whole of them were over there. But even with
big up
Steely and
Tonto
Clevie,
Metro and Devante, big them up.
Steely and Clevie, how come you never recorded for them?
No, what happened? No, you have to remember no. Remember Steely and Clevie no, watch it now. Not even Clevie was Steely, because Clevie was always like they could always Clevie, but they could always Steely always come. So what the thing is now when me want to come Vybz, because some time when in and out was a problem, and then Steely, because remember no Steely, but things like you could just run a DJ for Steely, so because Steely is a man where you know take foolishness, but you could have big till I can't big no more. If you not feel, I still let the first man me see a Vybz 45, a Vybz 45, and take the mic from and carry and put it at the front right there. So and when you have Vybz, still shut the and start like you want to go in put emotion inside of the thing. And when you done Vybz a lot girl song, him go to the door and look if you see anybody walk past. If you see two girls walk and stop them and pay them to come inside. I'm saying in nobody else want to play the song. And so every girl them like it and move ahead and say a wicked song. So them man. But me learn enough things, alright. Just like me learn from Bobby Digital. So I go for Vybz, put your clothes on, man. Then we go Bobby play the rhythm and me go. Bobby said go on the boat. Learn this from Bobby. So Bobby said go on the boat. And me just start say, they say, girl, put on your clothes, I'm on them. Your pretty face, I get them problem. Girl, you just put on your dear frock, I'm enough for them from. Because the clothes are somewhere wear all time design that. When you see them, girl, you laugh and clap. Can I know them, because them are big. I say, ready now. Man, say nobody with that, Pick up. But guess what I'm going to learn from them now? It's like, every time when you plan to get perfect, something always go wrong. It's just like somebody who hide and take a picture with you. That is a picture. If you pose, that's a pose it name. Because from forward, all right, see me, all right, like you know this one. And say, yo, and say, you ready? Come on. Now pose a pose. So if me turn something to see the camera, click it. You just take a picture, but for once you go, you ready?
Candid.
You pose a pose, so that Bobby teach me now. So Bobby, when you time, all right, because when Bobby asked the middle's free, and there's a DJ not going that song, not going at this song, he said, ready now? Mr. say, all right, Mr. get serious, the man, so nobody with that. Man, say, pick up on that way you have. It's like as a free water on them times, so I learned that from Bobby. At a younger age, I learned that from him.
Doing a lot of stuff, because I know even album-wise, you'd put out, I think it's 4 or 5 albums you have.
VP alone, I like
VP has like about 3 of them.
VP have 3 to 4 albums. VP, man. I try remember, but I threw those so much. All right. VP get the first album. VP get was what album was it? I forget the album, and the album they have on so much. But then all the second album come. Second album, too much song I wrote. Them compile.
Because that second album came back quick. I think they were both in the same year.
Said you couldn't believe that. That's what I tell you, Courtney Cole now watch your business.
Yeah.
Because my have 2 albums said here. But second me have so much song I wrote, them that second album come with everybody. Everybody get piece of money out of it, you know. It was produced by Shakin Vibe, produced by Pentos, produced by everybody have a piece of song with me and then compile and the album then name Loaded Back. The album then Loaded Back and then when they go drop, then go back on drop back.
Ashes to Ashes.
Go drop back Ashes. I'm a Bex. My Bex, how can you drop an album named Ashes to Ashes? Because that song named Ashes to Ashes, you know, I do my book them time there in a Brooklyn, you know. I give me 4,000 a line. I made us sing a song, you know, and well, if you want to stay in your life, don't diss me. I get me on my wrong side, so we tell them, if you want to stay alive, or you rather to chant to this big 45, let you guys send them. Ashes to ashes, turn them, don't to dose. Shut off, and I can say, gangsta, no choose. And guess what now? But me go learn the business, because you go learn the business now. You think them people, they're easy boy, yeah? Watch them. VP has a album now with Be a Ganja song, the pioneer, you know. Uno sis said, give me the weed, the biggest song them time in the world. So them supposed to name me album, give me the weed. But Seika, them got drop an album now with Be a Ganja song, man. Can then just get killer one, smoke herb, give thanks and pray, and then give me the weed and everything. So they don't bother name them. They were done. Remember, them do the sales still, you know. But them time them name me album. But it was big song. You could have named me album Real Thing, they pan it and look, there's so much big song upon the album. And then name Ashes to Why you name the album Ashes to Ashes. But we learn when we get big, we learn enough things. And I say them people in the boy are not easy, you know.
You understand the business. So even all of that, when your career, hiding your career and doing all this, who was your management? Who was managing your affairs as an artist?
All right, watch this now. When I said this, enough people are going to vex, you know. As I say, me now sugarcoat, nothing. As I said, the said man we fling with the thing with me. You understand? At early, you never believe in me. Because if you believe in somebody around you believe me, don't kill him. So when I'm fling with that, him kill me. And you understand, don't kill me physically, but he kill me, he kill the person inside of me where I strive. And the person inside of me, I cry and want somebody to help them. Because most big people don't understand, you know, when somebody's down, you know, you can't go nowhere more than you have to lift up the person. You understand? And not because a man have on a pretty shoes and a pretty shirt. Sometimes you might go through bad things, you know.
For sure.
And, you feel sometimes some people have the rent, the husband and wife just go through a rough time and they don't know how to fix back that thing there, you know. And people go through bad time because, you know, we live in a real rough time now. So we have to learn to love each other more and try to check on each other more. So me during them time there, still never have nobody way who could guide me along the way or me want guide. My problem is until today, big up Fata, big up Jonaville, and my problem is me sing too much number one song, too much bad songs, so I can't find nobody. Let me explain to you. Every time I go around somebody, it's like me, I have to take care of it. I can't, guess what? It's like how some man lucky where they can go them yard and one man, one person, make sure everything feel alright and so then can go and give man. That never happened to me. If you DJ hard and if you DJ hard. I mean, I cheat that even no one. We don't know. We never ban one thing and give up. We never things rough about we ban tough. And when I think, that God still have little more gaslighting for me. So me no watch nothing when a boy I do. I mean no watch nothing when a girl I say, me just hold on upon God and me just know say me have something down your line, a little light, a little bright light that can shine somewhere down your line and then and then probably along the way we can just say thank you Father for everything, and just know say that journey it been good. It been good and thank you Father for that journey. We learn especially me learn so much on that journey, I'm learn how people how most people stay and you learn about the woman thing too. And you learn how loyal and you learn who come to you when who they by your side. Cause some people don't want to come around you when nothing not go on. When the ship look like it not go nowhere at all, the body and when it thing get them around you 1 million people. When things look like it tired of my bus on the car and not about you look left and right, everybody gone left you. So but true we know about separation, and we read the book, we didn't know say loyalty or something we know about regular. And so we just know say if them live in that time when I know so there's a true and living God who is due for a boy walk past you. So whenever that watch that we just know say all praises give to God. And we are true
from there.
love
So,
God,
so even to this day, you don't really have a management or a management team per se to really structure Jigsy King's career.
All right, watch this now. At my age, which brought me there right now, and my career is like to find somebody who will manage me. We try for my general, in Junaville, in the overseas. But as I say, know the business that good, but it's a good person because all the music scene as a producer and how we know it, producer job is to make sure him artist, him or she will have been taken care of. You understand? So it's got nobody who poor can really manage us for me, because artists are some mad people, Yeah, artists are sick people, and you know one bug up on the one that was sick, those sick people, So what me want especially is like I find a good producer. I don't want money from the man. Want somebody we do the production. We make sure so that when we revise, the song them good. Because I just want to sing some song where people can get to sing them. Because you're strong and as good as your last song. So you just sit down and you make these songs. You want to sing a God to touch the world. When you touch the world, you find out what's going on with you and your fans. You understand? But things cannot change because a man now who can brought down your business, him having money. So a man just come down and say, me have $3 million spent on an artist. It must boss. Because if you pass someone, Meet me mango. I you say to yourself, say, how is big fool son boy eat me mango? See next week, watch you walk past. Meet me mango. Yes, I'm right, but me I sing it. But guess what?
Catch you.
Yeah, but no, guess what? Your ears can't hear not 1 million or 2 million. Zillion thing one time, your ears can't hear. And your ears one of the greatest tape recorder in the world. So when your ears are play. But I remember saying, not to stop your ears. You can't stop your ears from hearing. Your ears are ear. So I saw it go general and I hope one day it's still God will send before me call it the time off. Before me call it the time off and cool out the music. God will send somebody and say, yo, go around Jigsy King, I have a new album for Japan now, a serious album,
Okay.
Yeah, man, serious album featuring me, Barry Salman, me, Barrington Levy, you know, me no left to the Curtis and who probably live on the mind. That's me a Phantom Mojo.
A lot of collaborations.
Me mean serious song. Me not like a joke song, I talk about serious songs.
How could you be talking about joke song and you just said Bears Hamming, Barrington Levy and them on? Clearly, there's no joke in that thing there, boss. There's no, they can't. It's impossible. Even though I know you've done songs with Bears already, you know what I mean. So clearly, it can't be a joke.
The thing is, your thing is you have to remember now, you know. Say, things at time change. Like watch this now. Watch this now. Remember now, you know. Me can find an artist now and bust him fast, you know. And like them start the thing on the music and because when the artist and bust him fast right now. Yeah, so I just say, all right, the artist is Apple Nose. See, artist name Apple Nose. I'm say, all right. Apple Nose, guess what now? Yes, like all the busy rich one Magdalene, you know. So you make sure you get Apple Nose have a nice BMW for drive, or a nice Benz to drive. Yes, and so him know those have some flashy clothes. Some flashy clothes on a bad Apple phone. The latest one, and some bad cologne and in Benz and BMW just turn up. Or find a Riddim and then we're not getting and say, yo, Apple knows this, you know. Make sure Apple knows alright, you know. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturdays. Apple knows nothing in your ears. It's that about Apple knows. Remember when I grew up, you know, each song get video, you know. If a song that 8 minute video it. But no, Amanda's video anything at all. Amanda's sing a song. So my foot. I say, yo, you know you better sing a song about my foot. Yeah. I'm just video it. You must see song about my foot, man. I song around the place, my foot. Yes, and then guess what now? Learn this one now. Learn this. Yeah, people are firing now in a way. Where they're calling a Jamaican and say, yo, tell me a song down the way I go hard. Yo, man, have a song down and name my foot. But when he come out, when he sang reach a foreign, man said then that this around Jamaica my foot. look what foot they are married. Yeah, man, tell but really, you know, mostly this business here.
Yeah. You
know, this business here, it's dancehall, it's reggae music, this Jamaica culture is a culture where we don't want to lose it. And we don't want dilute it neither too. As I say enough respect to Kartel.
I was just going to ask you about that.
Yeah, go ahead, ask me.
Remember, he got crowned, actually last week he got crowned.
Yeah.
At Sumfest now. That means, in theory, he's overthrown. Beenie Man is now the new king of dancehall. What's your thoughts on that entire situation there?
All right, with the Beenie Man and the Kartel thing. All right, matter from Jigsy King, you know. All right. Kartel never did come in our time. So in a Shabba ranking in a yellow man time, you have to get yellow because yellow do mostly throughout them time there. In a them time with Shabba and Ninja Man, Shabba get win Grammy after Grammy and do more work, do more voicing more than Ninja Man and establish more things. So you have to get Shabba, you have to get Shabba it. You never put him on it made, but we know sir him are the one to lead. All right. When you come around to Bunty and Beenie, all right. Like Killer me DJ, Beenie me DJ. Listen me good now. But Beenie put enough work and Killer put enough work in, but Beenie have more foreign something there. Over Killer. Over Killer. See? And so would that give Beenie Man the edge? Over not say lyrical, you know, or something, you know. I said they give him Beenie achieve more things inside, you know. Beenie achieve.
It was more international. You could look and see. Yeah. Killer has more of the hardcore grown audience, so but Beenie got to the certain international people.
You can't take that. That's you understand. So So Beenie coming on our time and Cartel coming on a different time. So Cartel a king in a theme time now. You can't and there's no way you can dispute that. There's no way you can dispute. I can't, guess what? Going to a high school, you're going to first farm, second farm, third farm, fourth farm, fifth farm, sixth farm, whatever you about that seventh farm and an eighth farm. But can you leave back sixth farm and go back to first farm? That tell us said 93 when we do was number one song, blah blah, when Cartel come now and I do him thing, you understand? For this time at him, and it'll be so bad for you for take it to and not even that. We said this before anybody say it. Cause me couldn't find a strength in the jail so long, you know. But telling the truth from now, me, Errol, King of my real name, you know.
Errol Alfonso King.
King.
Yeah,
Me born as a king. Errol Alfonso King. King is my real name. And you don't never me go out on the road and tell a man say, yo, what I do? Come in a little big up them way there. Me come to a time of music me deal with. And music talk for me. Yes, I don't know how to go social media and talk. I don't go social media. Anytime I talk something, it's serious. Me come check up on the program here, it's serious. Me not come just sit down for talk about me no muscle put out this with me and me not play that something there. Someone that talk about, oh, man, I'm gonna eat for breakfast, what they video you will never in the history of life see Jigsy King and do something about pick me up on this, you'll never see that. For that you wait for your yard, they might drop out. Me not come on me not like camera. Me not come on the camera unless something. I ain't doing that. All right. What do you know? What do you when Cargo called me and said them have a program down there. And me say, my friend Alizid came and said, Jigsy, we could go down there. Alizid, I had him 3 days straight. Me tell him like, yo, car brought down, hey. Until him finally started cuss. I said, Jigsy, come now, man, we see some man. And I said, so, you know what? I'm going down there with him. I'm going down there, I create history. Nobody on Cargo platform named dream for this one. We go 4,500,000.
What do you mean?
4,500,000 by the song like I saw and a DJ. I know, I couldn't make people say what I want. I forgot to do I wipe tears out of me eye. I want to read the comment them where people say, Jesus, him sound just like you Ricardi. Him stay said when people say, you know how much time I send for Jamaica film and then tell me saying him gonna people send me some far country because they don't want to eat the food. Yes, then send me some far away and but him not live in Jamaica again. And Jesus run out and I'm going to show the radio people that the video people me going back and the still the message of God. You saw them people are some wicked people. But anything at all, the father say a few of them can't move in front. If you get it. So me go 4,500,000. And you know, say between me and you, on stage call Cargo. And tell Cargo, say, yo, may you come tomorrow morning and come. And you know, so I hide me at Cargo. Yeah, man, come and call me and say to me, say, I go up there. I tell you, say, me not close, I mean, but guess what? Me never want to go on stage and what me have to talk about. Talk about me sell, me go sell, me get 4,500,000 views. That have been expected from me, the quality what me have. You understand? That when I go someplace, go DJ, people run up and down, that me that. Yeah, so for sure, so I mean, you know. Yeah, even when Cartel come from jail, and with my daughter come down, my daughter stay at the hotel. When can just look, man, when I see that video there, my daughter stay at the hotel. So me there at the hotel, and I walk back and me here. Me real up girl, you know, my real girl clothes. I look around and the rampant Cartel, you know. Him know everything in the music. You have to love that you the Cartel love music. You understand? Leave him alone. That you leave Cartel alone. He love music. Hey, and look on that MSC and just hug me up and me hug him up too. I must say, I say, what is under my nose? You know, and I must say, and me not telling what I'm saying, I'm saying, I say, boy, if you got a little thing, I must say, boy, because it depends on video, they go in the roller show. I hug him up and I said to him, say, yo, spend more time with your family, so you know, so. Hug him up, but I'm talking at ease, and I say, yo, spend more time with your family, you know. And I say, yeah, I say, yo, everybody's a suspect here. So, him say, we are doing that, we are going to do it tomorrow. And I say, oh, so them got scatter them got the TV, the TV chair. Forward. Couldn't go because under my glory, a cartel glory. And him deserve everything is a cartel I get now, him deserve it. You know, and anybody will hate him or not like him for that, you know, something wrong with them. It's hard for a man spend so much time behind bar, you understand, come out and do something like this, you know. Me want to find the word name great, can't even add to it. Want to find a word for it to add to work out till I do. You understand, so and then on top of it, him category raise the bar, make you know say dancehall need for the summer, you know, need to pay with money. You understand? Pay with money. That means we want to take it too far that promote a bar, you know, but put some respect on my name.
Simple.
You know, I forget Cartel and respect for that.
Yeah. You understand? Jigsy, listen. I know that we could sit here for another 4 hours. And
I'm going to start singing a song.
Listen, your story is so crazy. You see this right here? I want to call this like our part 1 of our conversation.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah. And then they were going to few.
Yes, because you have so much. So, and I think somebody like you that you had when I say hot run, you had a hot run. It wasn't long, you know, but you had some Ross hits that came out. But I think somebody like you gets overlooked a lot of the times, especially when they say, okay, let's do some retro shows and all this. Yes, you did get the Sumfest 2023, but you didn't get the Jigsy King.
People been asking, them other try crowd me up. As I crowd me up, and all of them I put side of me have 3-4 songs. I don't know some I can DJ. I don't know some I can sing 1 hour out of each song. I don't know some I loaded it full of music. They never invite me on the boat. Still big up Bob Marley, kids them, you know, Jonah Gang, enough respect, and Steven, you know, my brother and my love and I said, you know. But as I say, them have to do, everybody have to do what them have to do, you know, and we're there, we love everybody said, you know, we just keep ourselves young and keep ourselves, do the right things, you know, we not do nothing out of the way for my mother's still alive and my auntie them and everybody's still alive. So we know the embarrassment come on my family them, you know, so we try to do the thing, you know. And,
do the right thing.
And you know, make it 6 lovely daughters, you know, some I feel love my pity them, you know, my daughter and big up Renee King, Stacey Ann King, Tatiana King, Janelle King, all of my daughters, me love all of my pity, me pity them. All of me get be a daughter, I'm not getting a son, you know, so you know,
6.
Yeah.
6 or 6.
Yeah. No, man, I need 6 girl, man, so I need, right now I need 4 boy for put the car. But I don't know what to me, man. I put you around there so another girl may get. I put you around there so another girl may get. I put you over there so one girl may get. I put you back there so another girl may get. Again, I didn't know what I then climb go way up there so put you somewhere. I said when I get 2 boy. I hold them around with. I can't be around with.
No, Jigsy, listen. Leave some contact info where they could check you out if they want to book you.
All right,
any dub plates, anything. Leave some info before we get
listen
you
me
out
now.
of here.
Me keep the thing old school. Me keep this thing out old school. All right, watch this now. Me try it already and it work. Because sometimes all the place I run, so they tell someone something, and you have to go through someone go in your bread and go in your food. But me have my phone for me. People listen me now. Saying we are keep the thing, me now go in the digital world, keep the thing in the old world. Call Jigsy King at 1-876-379 7033. It is 1876 379 7033. Me have nothing on me I hide from. Me not hide from nobody. I'm ready for do dub plate, ready for do stage show, I'm ready for do all of the things towards music. If you talk when you call me, make sure you're talking about music. Me don't want to hear nothing more about that music. We're talking about reason with you, yes. But make sure we're not talking about music. That come first. We're talking about football. We're talking about Dental Technical High School. You're talking about Kingston College. You're talking about progress for the youth them. We're talking about how we can do something for the youth them in I get to. Yes, and we could talk about how to live right. Yeah, so something towards the music. Yeah, can me have all right. I have an idea. I want to share it with you before anybody jump on it first. All right. Jamaica, we are facing some rough time at Jamaica. We come up with the idea like 2 weeks ago. I sit down and I come with the idea. Get the idea I come with now. Me first start it on your program. So if anybody do it, you know me first. All right. In Jamaica, we have 14 parish, right? All right. So if you cut it in two, it is 7 and 7, 2, 7, 14. Right? All right. Watch this now. But come up with the idea now. I'm going to the Prime Minister could hear about it here now. You see, any parish, we are coming with that, say any parish we have less crime. This is my muscle. In the parish we have less crime, there's gonna be a reward. The parish with less crime gonna be a reward. So if we say St. Catherine, Anova and some more parish, we done something then. We say them are going good for the when the year done, like no, all right. We're gonna have we're gonna give awards. You're the award gonna know. You're the award gonna know. With that set it up now. With that set it away, all right. All right. Say Chilani. No, we have less crime in Chilani. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna go inside Chilani and find the youth that we're unfortunate. We less thing. We find things give them to do. We find things because we find us. So the next parish now, I feel aware and find us say no, this is what happened now. So we need no. So guess what? Now we find the youth then the youth then we have skill. A youth have skill, same one do farming, we go for him, we go for them, we make sure we get some company where in Jamaica said we have 40 youth we're doing this, we have 50 youth of us we're doing this, so them youth there, we make sure because they're behaving themselves. You understand?
So sponsor now.
Yeah. So sponsorship have to come aboard now. Have to come aboard and help with them youth. And so some more parish I gotta start follow. I don't follow because remember now you have youth we left from this we go to an next parish and I say, so because of blah blah we behave ourselves, this is what we get. So them I got them over there, so now I go start so Jamaica stay, you understand? Them over there so I go start being them so we find a Chilani dog. So we start help the youth in the Chilani more. So St. Catherine now and some more other parish now. I go say, you know what, remember kids them, So we don't want to lead them the wrong way. We don't want to tell them about no more gun and stuff. So
don't lead them astray.
So St. Catherine now will come on and some more parish, St. Tandem and some more parish will come. You understand? That's an idea what may I say. The parish that way with lesser crime. That with lesser crime, we honor them.
That you see, that makes sense. So it's like you're incentivizing them to not to do crime. So you don't do any crime, we're going to reward you and all of those things.
Yeah, because you find the boy them and the girl them with they inside the parish there. Always okay, all right. We have 30 girl, just like when I have call center. So we have 30 girl now, or even 100 girl right here now. What we do now, we find out what them want. We find out what them want and try to help them with it and try advance them, you understand, and make sure them are right. So them will tell for them friend, what good we doing for them. You understand? And I guess it will work out because we have enough company in Jamaica where we can really come and try help the kids them and help out some situation what really take place in Jamaica.
True.
You understand?
Hold on. It's just these people were texting me. Jigsy, great idea. Even greater conversation because, again, as I said, I'm seeing this as the baseline. This is the first sit down that we really got to sit down because there's still so much more to go. And
Yeah, but there's so much thing. There's so many things. As I say, we save somebody for I don't know. We have nothing more to talk
Well,
about.
no.
You know? You know, think we got to take with the whole day, take with the whole day and the whole night. You know, you understand? But as I'm saying, growing up as a kid, you know, and me have I dream, you know, I plan, you know, and everything, you know. But me not make nothing in the world try to stray me somewhere me no want where me no want to go. And the boy can't tell me say if you go do this, and the boy can't tell me say he my done and send me around so cause my dad a God. So man have to learn that and know that say if I know nothing about good and man nobody call me because I never fight it, you know. Yeah, my school time, I never want to have something wrong. Me go dental and I never fight.
Yeah.
KC, I never fight. I never fight up something. So I know say, God really in my life. You understand? So me and a man now go catch up in an argument. You know, me no know off me no know off me and a man are in an argument. Because me not give the chance to. Because me not gonna entertain you. I'm not going to entertain her down that road. And I let me on coward or let me on fool or what. But me tell myself, say, me know better, so me be better. But still, all right. I'm sure somebody going to laugh. They're going to laugh after this one, I tell you. All right. Mr. Man, I think me round me, I think me first me get a license gun, you know. And watch this now. Watch me lose my license gun. Call my mother, you know. I say, Mama, guess what now? You know say, I have a license gun. I mean, remember that time, I only hear, oh, I say, Mama want to you. Mother say, Mama say you love sleep. Oh, you got to sleep with the gun for the car seat. Oh, you got to fall the gun for the car top. My mother never stop ball till me gain back everything.
You just said, this isn't for you.
No, because my mother tell me say, me never did ban that way there. I never did ban for trouble. So if it's a trouble make a man know, you know. Because I'm a prove it say everywhere I go people love me. You understand? So me not fast with nobody, me not thief, me not rob. So in a sense, you understand, me know enough man that, but you go want that gun here, sir. But me nobody
And I
that,
knew
that,
that.
you know. No, me don't know my Dana God. My Dana God, man, so.
I rate that.
Then
I totally rate that.
Man.
You know what I mean? But even before we get out of here, I got a big up. I mean, a special, super big up to man like Pablo and Soul Survivor. Because as I said, I've been trying to make this happen, you know, Jigs. I've been trying to make this happen, you know. I called Pablo. Pablo said, yeah, man, he's coming up. He said, yo, okay, you know, we'll make it happen. One phone call, and here you are in the seat. You understand?
No, but Pablo,
big up Pablo, Soul Survivor.
Listen, Pablo, when I'm in Jamaica, Pablo called me and said, yo, must have say, I just want to get up on the program, man. Yeah, but I also watch the program, you know. And, you know, I always watch it and I just say, you're conscious and thank you for what you do. So when he called me and tell me, I said, Jigsy, yo, Pablo want you, blah, 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 car. Really, you know, really, me did tell him, say, me move forward. I'm going back to Jamaica forward with 3 days. But I'm left Jamaica, I'm going 3 days, I'm going back down. I said, but you have Pablo, you have to do muscle them. I said, no, man. I said, I'm a general. I said, you I do. I said, get everything ready, man. I got me do muscle thing for him because I don't know the real. I said, anything at all, I feed the people with the reality of where you're coming from. And this is something like you're watching a movie, but you understand, but you get the script in front of you, in front of you. So, so if you come do this, may I try to tell you, Muslim, I try to tell you thanks. And thanks to the fans, them, and thanks to everybody, may God guide and protect and keep you. Right, you continue to bless your family. And anybody will watch this, big up on us several times, so love, we try our best to keep it 100%. Because growing up in life, me as I hear about minimum and
maximum.
So when you reach minimum, you're heading to
maximum.
So when you reach a maximum, much far you can go.
Maximum again.
So that's true. I said, one man. I mean, never hear nobody say today is Friday, right? You will never hear a man say incline on a ladder or incline on the ice building and then look over and it's a Saturday. so my general, the real general, God are my general.
God. Jigsy.
Enough love and respect.
All the while, bossy. Thank you. You understand? As I said, looking forward to our next reason. Let me give you an outro and get you out of this wicked reasoning. You understand? Bomb. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, and we are out just for now.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.